Morning, everybody. I think it's I'll have to look at that in a second. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Don't even know if anybody's here. As usual. Give me just a second to set everything up. Today is the 30th. And it's Thursday, I believe. All right, just setting up the YouTube and then the TikTok. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I know, I'm going to be right with you. Give me just a second. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Let me grab my tags. Good morning, everyone. For the 50th time. Stream location. Recording date. Now we have the tags in there. We have the little stuff in there. Yep, we're trading live. That's true. It's the date, Thursday. Yep. Nice. And all right, who do we have? Number one, D-Nice, Jason Roby, and Umar Davis, and Thomas. Hey, Thomas, how's your mom? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, D-Nice, Jason, Umar, and Thomas. Good morning, Jones, 808. Good morning, David D. Na. I can buy myself flowers. I know I saw a Miley Cyrus video when I was doing my YouTube. Hold on, I got to get going on TikTok. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody had a blessed night. Hope everybody's thankful to be another day above ground. Hope you see that my legal disclaimer is up. Read it over, please. Make no mistakes. I or no one associated with this channel are financial advisors, never want to be, never pretended to be. I can read it on YouTube. Let me see if I can read it clearly on YouTube. Hold on. We are not financial advisors, just like everything I do. Yeah, yes, I can. Okay, can I read it on TikTok? Yes, I can. Good morning, good morning. Gonna be in this hand. Good morning, David B. Good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, Mr. C. CPI today. Oh, isn't that wonderful? I swear to God. I thought this was only on Fridays or something. Good morning, Dennis Snader. Good morning, Ryan Seaman. Good afternoon to you, Ryan. Good morning, and God bless Shash, and God bless all of you. Good Good morning, Bob Uten. Good morning, Rebel. Good morning, Yolanda. Good morning, Dr. Matt Spangler. Good morning, Doc. You're on bright and early. Good morning, JSMB. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Mike Snyder. Good morning, Anthony. Gonna be in the sand. If I can get some thumbs up, please. And if you guys can head over to TikTok, that'd be awesome. Good morning, BCM. Good morning, Bob. Good morning, Mona. Good morning, James Bond and Darren Roberts. Excellent morning to you, Wealth Creation Project. All right. Robel, are you still on your roll with trading? Robel has just been kicking ass trading. I mean, it's just crazy how good Robel's doing. Robel's, I mean, people just get on rolls. You'll see when things start clicking for you, all of a sudden you can't make a wrong trade. It's kind of cool how he does it. Hoi. All right. Good morning, everybody. I'm done with the legal disclaimer. Long as you guys read this over. Jason Roby, I'm up 13. Oh, nice, Jason. 830 CPI. Really? Thank you, Harry, and thank you. Who just told me that a second ago? Good morning, T Mark. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Harry and Jason Roby. Congratulations, Jason. Standing O for you, sir. Umar said CPI. Thank you, Umar, and thank you, Harry, for the news updates. The ones I like, CPI, FTMOC, NFP. I like those news because those are big news that gets us to have some movement to make some money. Not really in a hyper mood this morning, but we'll go with it. Gonna some money. Thank you for being at both, D-Nice. Good morning, Tim Wong. Good morning, Tim. Good morning, E88851. Jason Roby. Finally clicking for you, even a bigger standing O. Yay, Jason Roby. That's fantastic. Eventually it clicks for everybody if you don't quit. Thank you, Tim, for being on both, Wong. Now, thank you. All right. So everyone read this over. If you have, good morning, Johan. Please go ahead and type a yes or a 7 that you understand that I am not a financial advisor, and no one along with this channel is, and that this is all accurate and everything I'm telling you, that I'm just a social media influence and not a very popular one at that, and that I have stores, stuff to buy, and all that good stuff. So what I trade, what I don't trade, all that good stuff. Okay. Dr. Matt Spangler, yes, persistence. One of the key things, my only key thing I ever had of why I'm successful is I wouldn't quit. I had to do it, and I stuck with it until I did do it. Currently, I only have I only have 2 trades open. I have no options open, and I have only these 2 trades. These 2 trades right here are gold long term. I'm up $190 an ounce on this gold trade. Let me show you over here. There we go. I'm up from 10.9, a buy, 1 lot size, gold, 190 whatever dollars an ounce on that. I'm up from 11.10, a buy on NAS, 884 pips. And those are my 2 trades that I have open. All right, let me close this off. Let me close this off so you guys don't get confused with anything. And now here we go. Nice. She has left with us. That is. Oh, wow, Thomas, I had no idea. So lung transplants don't last forever? How long does the average lung transplant last? Oh. Well, I hope she's not in any pain at least, or very minimum pain. Oh. Everyone, please pray for Thomas's mom and for him. Morning, Paul. Morning, Larry. Thank you for saying yes. What's up, Botnator? How you been, brother? Well, we got one person on TikTok to say yes. Thank you, Tim. Good morning, Harry Chastain. Good morning, Thomas Crowell. I'm going to do... Thank you, D. Nice. Thank you, Malachi. All right. Now, we're going to whip through our little list, and then we're going to go into how I trade. Dang on it. This was just two green and one red NAS, and it just went up over it again. I'm so sorry. I got to get other things done, but oh well. We'll get to that in a second. All right. What's up, Ore Ramos, Raider Trader? Good morning, sir. I had a guy join yesterday. Listen to this. Does anyone beat this? I had a guy join. Matter of fact, let me see if I can read his messages. Hold on. I don't know if it was in TikTok or not. Yeah, right here. Oh, there it is. I won't say the person's name, even though he's joining us this morning. He said, I've been watching you for a year now to see if you are legit. Lots of scammers out there. I can see your system works. So this guy stalked me for a year. I laughed my ass off. I was like, holy shit. Somebody stalked me for a year before purchasing. I think that's a record. I know several people usually do, obviously most of you do like a couple weeks. Some of you even do a couple months, but a year? Has anyone stalked me more than a year before purchasing? I don't think anyone has. I think that's amazing. And wow. Yeah. A year. Wow. Good for you. I mean, you're being very, very safe. I'm going to go and say I've been consistently on for over a year. So I guess that gave him some peace of mind. That's funny. Anyone else find that funny? Da 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 da. I don't know if he joined though. I think he said he was going to join. I'd have to ask Bri if he joined. But anyway, still stalking me for a year is funny. Okay. I stalked you cool 1.5 months, says Jason. Yeah, most people about a month, 2 months, somewhere in there. I think Patrick stalked me for a long time. The one that's made over $700,000 year to date. I think he's stalked Patrick C. Super nice fella. I think he stalked me for goodness, I don't even know. Maybe I think he was 2 or 3 months though. I'm almost positive, maybe even 3 or 4 months. And other people like Tommy, he joined the same day. He saw me, went back, reviewed my videos, and he's the guy who made $166,000 last month and over $50,000 in one trade the month before that. He only trades a few times a month. Thomas Arnon, 5 years. You couldn't have stopped me for 5 though, Thomas. I wasn't on for 5. I've only been on for going on 2 years this January for TikTok. So you could have stopped me for 2 years. I have a few people that have. No thing should have been machine full time, so it does limit our quality of life. Oh, I got you. Well, yeah. I don't know if it's too late or not, or if you've already tried it, but please, at least, and I'm not a doctor, this isn't medical advice, this is the friend talking to a stranger friend, is maybe look into the Wim Hof breathing techniques and see how she likes those and see if they don't maybe help just a little bit. They might not help. They might make things worse. I don't know, but you never know. Oh, he's talking about the transplant 5 years. Oh, shit. No. Don't get the thank you, Malachi. He's so smart. I'm so tired. Thomas, yeah, I'm with you. Push that off as long as you can. I mean, as long as their quality of life is okay and, the pain levels are okay, definitely. Oh, my goodness. 5 years. Why do lung transplants? Other things, kidneys last like 15, 20 or more years, right? Wonder why lungs only last 5 years. Son of a gun. Damn. I'm with you. I'm with her. I push that shit off as long as I could, as long as I still can get around and stuff. Kevin, you made more money off him this way. I did. He was doing due diligence. Yeah, he was doing due diligence for a year. That's funny. 2 weeks, said Bob. Yeah, a lot of people are 2 weeks to a month. Malachi, it really does go system works. That's true too, Malachi. No patience. He was talking about the transition, I think. Yeah, you're right, Malachi. All right. Could everybody on YouTube go over to the Real Safety Trade, Kevin Grego on TikTok, please? Let's get those views up over there. Good morning, Maxwell. The Puente. I only say his name. I'm actually trying to say it right, but fuck. Now, I don't know how to pronounce this name of someone who just joined because it's Arabic, I think. Rue. Welcome, Rue 3206. Raider Trader. I love Raider Trader's name. Good morning, Maria Toller. Good morning. Did we ever hit? Yeah. We hit the blue line last night here. Oh, I'm jumping around. I actually have to go through this. All right. Enough of that stuff in the morning. Oh, gorgeous, Naz. Gorgeous SPX. Wow, did that dip down? Interesting that it dipped like that. Hold on a second. There's your W. It didn't. It hit the blue line, but now it's going up again. Holy shit. At least we hit the blue lines. Okay, I'll give ourselves a little credit. That's incredible how much. Okay, I'm going to go out on the line here and say CPI is going to bring us down, at least temporarily. Shit's out of freaking control. All right. Good morning, Yolanda. Here we go. I'm going to whip through golds, blah, 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 all my things. Hold on tight. We're going to move kind of fast. Gold. 1 minute sell stop. Gold. 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. Gold. Forming for us. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. It's going to come down to this line right here. Come down here, go underneath and hook and come back up. That's gold. I don't really care about the rest. I'm not going to call US 30 NAS or SPX at the moment. EUR USD, which is the opposite of USD CHF, EUR USD. 1 minute sell stop. 5 minute. Oh, nice. 1 minute sell stop to the 15-minute blue line. Nice. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop to the 30-minute blue line. 1 hour, 1 hour buy. 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Daily to the daily blue line. Did that touch? Yay, I think we actually have a touch. There we go. Went right up and kissed it as called out. How many ever days ago this was? Our logo came over, came up, right up to the blue line. Nice. Well, it's always good to see the system's working. Oh, no. Hold on a second. There we go. Forming a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop on ERUSD to the daily blue line. Already did it. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line. Very concerning. USD shuff. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, don't bother me. Let's see. Bitcoin and Ethereum always run together. Always move the same way. Nice. Holy shit. Let me see something. I already have it. Okay, so the 5 minute. Let me see Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin. I already did it. All right. 1 minute buy stop, fill in the gap. Bitcoin. 5 minute sell stop. Nope. 4 hour daily buy stop. Weekly sell, monthly buy. Ethereum. 1 minute buy stop. Too far away from the 5-minute line though, but whatever. 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop Ethereum. 1 hour, 4 hour? 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy stop Ethereum. Weekly sell stop Ethereum. Monthly buy stop Ethereum. XRP. 1 minute XRP buy, ricochet buy stop back to the blue line. XRP 5 minute. Hold on, XRP. 15 minute, forming a 15-minute sell stop to the blue. It did it too. Ricochet. See, I was right on that call too. Blue line ricochet on the 1 hour. Just 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour XRP. Forming a 4 hour daily buy stop XRP, weekly sell stop XRP, monthly buy stop XRP. Oil, 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. Oil, 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. Let me verify a few things on that real quick. Super quick though. 5 minute buy. 15 minute. 5 minute, 15-minute buy. No, I'm going to do that. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to go over the knockouts on nadex.com. Under commodities, I'm just going to do a quick little oil. Just a short one too. I don't really care. Yeah, let's see how that looks for us. All right, oil's in place. Nice. Okay, 1 minute sell stop oil. 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop oil. 30-minute to the blue line already hit as called yesterday. Pretty much hit to the 1 hour. Fuck. We'll do 1 minute. We'll do 5 minute, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop to the 1 hour blue line. 4 hour sell. 4 hour daily sell back to the daily blue line on oil. That's all you need to know. US 30, SPX, they all move the same. They might vary for a minute, but they always come back to the same. 1 minute. Wow, at least we hit the blue line. 15-minute. 15-minute. 15-minute sell. Let me see. SPX 15-minute sell. No. Let me see now. Yes. Okay. All right. Oh, well. Call what you see. 1 minute buy. 15-minute. 1 hour sell. Interesting. 4 hour buy. 4 hour daily buy. All right. So we see a. Let me do shorty. Hold on a second here. I want to get them all on this for us. Oh, yeah. Buy. Fuck. All right. Fine. Let me see US 30. 1 minute. Jeez. Oh, freaking. Won't stop. Can't stop. Won't stop. Look at this shit. Wow. That's just incredible. It doesn't go down. Let me check gold out real quick. I'll come back to the US 30 and SPX. Give me just a second. Oh, in the money on the oil call. In the money on the oil. In the money on the oil. Up $8, $10, $5. In the money on the oil sell stop, 1 minute. Nice. Okay, I only bought one contract, so I'm good on that. I'll probably just close it out. I just wanted to tag it again, just make sure we're reading the charts correctly with everything. All right, US 30. Here we go. SPX, US 30 NAS. 1 minute buy stops. 15-minute sell stops. And I'm going to show you how it looks like on SPX. 1 hour, 4 hour buys, but I have to make sure that these are all 1 hour, 4 hour buys or more. It could be 15-minute. Let me see. Buy myself flowers. All right, let's see. Blue line, 1 hour, 4 hours. The 4 hour up high, it's going up. That's why the movement's so strong. This is a buy, 4 hour buy. This is a 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily. So we have to come down on a daily. So it has to come back down. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say we should be looking for I'm really hoping that the stupid CPI news today brings us back down to reality. 4 hour daily? No. Weekly? No. Daily up. 4 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop SPX. Still got to come back down first. Let me see US 30. Yeah, same. Interesting. Okay, I'm going to keep with the 1 minute buys. That's fine. I would absolutely be looking for a 15-minute sell. The only one that's tipping its hand right now is SPX. And the only way I think we're going to see this to drop is with some kind of shitty news. I really hope that CPI comes through for us. What I'm saying is if you look at these charts right here, let's take a look. You're going to see let's go right here, for instance. I'm not saying it can't go up from here, but this is extreme distance right here on your daily. Extremely so. I'm not saying it's, look at the weekly too. Crazy distance away. What am I talking about? These are hundreds and thousands. Watch. I'll go to NAS. Look at this shit. From where you would have gotten into, you're 1,800 pips. That's insanity. So yeah, I'm it's got to form our logo. Okay, this is what it looks like on the daily, right? Let me pull up gold and show you what I waited for. This is the exact same thing. See, it came up really far away, came back down and formed our logo. And I'll get into how that works and everything. But if you look at US 30 daily, it kind of did it right there. NAS never did it, and not yet anyway, so it's got to form it. And SPX never did it. So if we look at the last time it formed, would be our 4 hour. And it's not even a really good 4 hour either. The 1 hours have been plenty. 1, 2, 3, yeah. But it hasn't formed. If you guys didn't know that, it forms in order. So there'll be a 1 minute buy stop, then several 5 minute, then several 15 minute, then there'll be several 30 minute, then there'll be several 1 hours. But there hasn't been any 4 hour buy stops. Look, well, not on SPX. So the next step is for it to dip down and form a 4. Yeah, see, it's not any on NAS and none on none, not even close on US 30. So I'm going to go ahead and say, damn, that's just too far away. This is US 30. How many fucking pips is this? 2,100, almost 2,200 pips. Yeah, no. Even in our system of silliness, this has to come back down. Yeah, that's just crazy to me how far away it is, but it is what it is. And by the way, you're in the money on the 1 minute buy stop on US 30. You're in the money on the oil. You're in the money on the buy stop on NAS, and you're in the money on the 1 minute buy stop on SPX. Now, with that being said, I mean, Jiminy Christmas. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and I'll tell you exactly, I guess, after that. But I'm going to stick with these callouts. SPX US 30 NAS, 1 minute buy stops. You're in the money on 15-minute sell stops. Probably not even going to engage unless it's the news. My favorites are still the 1 hour buy stops. And technically, they're like 1 hour, 4 hours on the one. So, all right. So we're done with all the symbols. Let's see. Morning, Shaz. Morning, Pablo. Good morning, Pablo. Good morning, Annie Apple. Good morning, Robel. Good morning, Julie Gaia. Da, 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 da. All right. Got you, Thomas. She's only 16. Amen on that, Thomas. Scares the shit out of me. Good morning, Michelle. Hey, Michelle, where you been, woman? What's up, Michelle Glowinski? Good morning, Tanny B. Morning, Tanny. Morning, Sandro. Morning, Byron Sealer. Tulsa, Oklahoma. We'll be traveling your way, heading over to Nevada in a few months. Da, 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 da. The logo, baby. I agree with Bob Wooten. Best thing ever. Good morning, Terry Gross. Good morning, Sam UK. Good morning, Crystal Hudson. If all of you can head over from YouTube to TikTok, please. The Real Safety Trade, Kevin Grego. The Real Safety Trade. I would appreciate that. All right, I think we're all done. We did our 13, 12, 10, whatever the hell I just called out. Nice. Let me see that oil one. I want to keep track on that oil because I want to see if we're going to pull that. Nice. That was about $10. Not much, but I did tag what I wanted to see there. So we're golden. Let's go to the knockouts. Now, is there anything else I can grab? Anything else? Give me a second, guys. I should set these up in order too, because I know USD JPY. Let's just take a look-see. 1 minute, 5 minute. Yeah, that looks good. Too far away on the 15, 30. We're staying away from that one. All right. Now, good morning, Steve. Morning, Rayshawn. Morning, Steve. Morning, Rayshawn. Sam UK, thank you for being at both. Sam, I need everybody to do that. There's 70 of you watching and only 33 on TikTok. Yeah. All right. Let's go over a few basic rules that everyone must do if you're going to be successful at this. You don't have to do everything that I do, but the first thing I do, again, is wake up with an attitude of gratitude and thank God for the good, the bad, the indifferent. My life isn't perfect, but I'm very thankful for it. Then, if you want to trade and get similar results, I'm not saying you'll get exact results, but if you do what I do, it might be helpful. I don't know. What's up, Rayshawn? What's shaking? Not too much. Shaz, over it. I don't know what that means. Good morning, Shaz. So again, how do we get these results on a consistent basis? Because look at that US 30 buy. Holy shit. You're in the money on the 1 minute US 30 buy. You're in the money on the NAS buy. You're in the money on the SPX buy. I know we made money on the oil sell. So you're in the money on the oil sell. I did. I mean, hello. We just got started. This is crazy. I'd be very leery of doing any options. Matter of fact, my brother Michael P and Michael T, I would not trade anything from now even, but from 8 o'clock on, I wouldn't touch a freaking thing because CPI can jerk you around. Please stay out of the markets. Mike Glowinski, Michelle Glowinski, Chris Smith, Tonda Parham. Stay out of the markets. Michael P, Michael T. Please stay out of the markets. Mom. Please stay out of the markets. Everybody that I know, love, and care about, because with CPI, it's going to move quick. And then we might, even if I'm right, we might not even have a chance to grab it. But I have a feeling we're about to make a lot of money this morning. Because what they do is they'll pull it down artificially. That'll be awesome. They'll drop it hard, 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 hard. And we'll just do a buy or vice versa, whatever. I'll show you. Look at that going up. This is fucking insane. Good morning, Jay Parker. Safety trade scanner. I don't know what you mean by the safety trade scanner, Rayshawn, but we'll go over both scanners here in a minute. All right, here we go. So how do I do this consistently? Well, I'm consistent in what I do. So what do I do? I'm not a financial advisor, as you guys know from the disclaimer. First thing I do in the morning is I pray. I thank God for another day above ground. Second thing I do is I do all my physical stuff. I didn't do it yesterday morning or this morning because I've been fasting. I did 2 days of dry fasting and 2 days now of water fasting. Anyway, first thing I do, though, is pray. Second thing I do is I get up, then I'll ground. I do my Wim Hof, my red light therapy. I do cold therapy. I do EWOD exercise, just stuff. So I do all that stuff. And then I look at the H&H scanner. This might be the one he meant right here. And this is the scanner that he might be talking about. So we'll go over it right now. Yeah, right here. What's up, Jay Parker? Let's rock. Yep. Good morning, Brick. B Brick. So this is what I look at. The very first thing I look at trading-wise is this. As we saw this morning, the NAS was red very, 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 very early. It was red, right before I went live or right after I went live. These two were green. These are trading to the blue line. So when it says 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, US 30, NAS, and SPX, it's literally, is this above the blue line on US 30 1 minute? It is. Is it above the blue line? It is. Is it above the SPX blue line 1 minute? It is. And then so forth on the 5 minutes, so on. So when you see this, for instance, last night when it flipped over on, I think the US 30 was the first one, it turned red. The others two followed. And then if you saw it go the other direction where these two turned green and this one was still red, this one will follow. And that's how you read it. So right now I see jack shit. I don't see anything at all that would convince me to make any trades on this. So then I'm done with this scanner. Just a quick little glance. I say, nope, nothing here. Okay. Now, I'll answer your question later, Harry. All right. Now, after I look at that, I then look at the 1 hour SPX, NAS, and US 30. All three of the 1 hours. Look at that money on US 30. Holy shit. You guys just listened to that 1 minute buy. You'd be up like 30 pips. That's crazy. All right. Let me get that out of there. So let's look at the 1 hour. Gonna be, so the 1 hour is rising. It's not anything. Let's check the 1 hour NAS. Low. Let's check the 1 hour SPX. Low. Okay. So now what do we see? Either these 1 hours that are rising and US 30 given our hint. This is going to be a 4 hour high. Let's say, yeah, there you go. So now we have a 1 hour, 4 hour. Let's see if we have that on NAS. 1 hour, 4 hour, kind of. See, that's really challenging right there. So now we have to go to a daily on that. So this is a 4 hour daily buy stop. Holy fucking shit. Are you kidding me? They're not even going to drop it down. US 30. Let's go to the 1 hour. It's high already. The 4 hours high. That's why you see US 30 sprinting to the line. You can see this blue line rising up. And that's why it's doing what it's doing. Holy shit. This is nuts. These guys are absolutely nutty insane. They're moving this thing up even further today. Wow. Let's hope for CPI to be a little challenging and not so positive news. Wow. Incredible what it's doing. But anyway, so that's my thing. I look at the 1 hours. Now I can go to the 15 minutes and see. 15 minutes high, 1 hour's high. Nothing on US 30. Then I go to the 1 hour NAS. And it's rising. See, there's nothing here. So this is a 15 minute. Well, there's nothing. You can't even call it 15 minute 1 hour. So this is nothing. This will be SPX. Gosh, this is going to go up even higher. Holy shit. Yep, there it is. 15 minute nothing. 15 minute nothing. 15 minute. So it's a 15 minute. It's a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Look at this. And if it goes up true, it may go up past here again. Oh my God, this is insane. Man, they're out of control. This shit needs to drop, boy. Anywho, it is what it is. That's why those 1 minute buy stops are paying off in dividends for you this morning. Wow. Quite easy to see. That's a buy stop, by the way, on the 1 hour, I'd say. All right. So after that, then I'm going to go ahead and open up my rules. So first thing, I'd say, thank God. Second thing, I do all my physical Wim Hof lifting weights. Third thing, I look at the H&H scanner. Fourth thing, I look at the 1 hour and try to verify if it's a 15-minute 1 hour something or if it's a 1 hour, 4 hour something. I look at it and I look at the sniper. If you don't have the sniper, well, get it. The rules, okay? I look at the rules next. So what are my rules? Well, we have rules, thank God, and that's the thing that saves 90% of you from making complete disastrous trades. I know it saves me every day from making complete disastrous trades. So I look at the rules. I say, hey, what's going on over here? Little rules. If I pop them open. Okay. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. I look at the rules. I'm telling you how I trade step by step. This is how I personally trade. Whether you guys want to trade like this is up to you. Okay. I look at my rules. The first thing I look for is the logo. Green up or red down. I don't have any bias other than the buy stop, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops for a logo. So I'd look for this green up arrow right here or the red down, or in this case, I'm looking for the green. How do I find that? I come over to here and I hit A, B, C, D. Look for the rule here, rule here. This is the perfect safety trade, buy stop or sell stop. And this is, you have to have the logo on the higher time frame. So that's the confirmation. You have to have it on the lower time frame and the higher time frame. So if I was doing a 1 hour, 4 hour, it has to be on the 4 hour. Then I find my 1 hour. And I'll explain what that is by showing you live what it does. And then I go down and I read all my rules, not these rules. I go specifically over to the specific rules trading. And I say, hey, do I see a specific trade, 1 minute, 5 minutes, sell stop or buy stop? If I don't, I go up. And then I always keep checking the 1 minute, 5 minute to see if it develops, because they will happen first. The order in which safety trades develop is 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. And that's the order they form in. You may open more than one safety trade, but keep in mind not to get caught in the higher time frames. For example, blah, 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 1 hour, 4 hour, don't get suckered into that. A lot of you, most all of you, don't understand that the 1 minute, 5 minutes happen first. And then, and only then, do you see what you want to see, which is the 1 hour, 4 hours, or the 15-minute 1 hours. Once the safety trade finishes, look to the next higher time frame for another safety trade. How do you know when it finishes? When it hits its blue line on the 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5 times or more, it's finished. Or just wait for the 1 hour and be patient. Whatever. You guys crack me up. As soon as safety trade is triggered, set your stop loss. That's at the pivot point. I'm not going to explain that in detail. That's gone over in your training video. If you don't know what that means, you're a scammer, and please don't scam or I'll block you from the channel. When you take profit, I'm not going to go into detail, but you take profit quickly off of one. If you opened up 2, 3, or 4, close down 2, leave 1 open, we call it a runner. Let it run. Next, always move your sell stop, buy stop line up and down. That's what you're asking about entry. I really don't want to go into too much with the entry, but I'll do a little bit for you. Rule number 8, the most important rule we have in the world. Always thank God. Always do good with your profits. Always have my back. So always thank God. Always thank God. I don't know. A lot of you are stubborn about that. Always do good with your profits. Always have my back. Well, literally, I'm giving you a system that happens to have a better than 1% win rate that everything else does. And I've given you access to a $7.2 trillion day business. And I've given you access for $575 a year. With some of my members are winning 94% of their trades. Phil's at 96, Tommy's at probably 98, Billy's at like 94. And I've given you access to a $7.2 trillion day Forex market with those kind of win rates. I know I made several $100,000 errors. I know Tommy's made hundreds of thousands of dollars with the system. I know Patrick's made hundreds of thousands of dollars with the system. I know Phil's made hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars with the system. I know Jay Cochran has become a millionaire. So I can tell you for a fact that the system does help lots and lots of people. Kimberly's retired from her job. So many people. funded, retired, $50 a day, $300 a day. I mean, dozens and dozens, hell, hundreds, I'm sure. We have hundreds and hundreds of testimonials. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over to my charts and I'm going to look for the logo and I'm going to follow my rules and let's see what happens. Okay. I will in a second. Good morning, little Joe. I'll get to Harry's question in a minute. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Good morning, Stefan. Sandra, can you help me with the ARUSD and GBP 5-minute, 15-minute? Absolutely, in a minute. I'm 80% win rate. The other is 90% system works. Jason Roby, an 80% win rate and a 90% win rate. So listen to what he's saying. A 90% win rate is absolutely insane. An 80% win rate is absolutely insane. The average professional win rate is 63%, 63.5%. 63%. Are you kidding me? 80%. You win 8 out of 10 trades, 9 out of 10 trades. And I do believe Jason, no offense to Jason, but I don't think he really grasps it all the way yet. I think he's new and he doesn't even understand there's all the different things it does, to be honest with you. But I'm glad he's winning. That's all. Thanks again for an awesome learning. You're welcome, Tarkis. He does it. I get better every day. There you go, Jason, right? So he's just now catching on to the nuances and how to do great with it. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at SPX 1 hour, 4 hours. You can see a buy stop right here. Green, 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 red. Yep. Let me see if we see this also over here. US 30. Nope. Do we see it over here on NAS? Yes. So we see a buy stop NAS. We see a buy stop SPX. Now, do we see our logo here? I am between 85 and 90%. I'm working on my entries. Also takes some risk though. Nice. Kevin, I haven't seen the Gold Queen in a while. I hope she's okay. Me too, Maria. I'm going to have to write her. It's been a minute. I'll have to write Kimberly. Kimberly, the Gold Queen. In the Discord, I'll write her and see. Winner, people may stay until absolutely. If people took 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5 pip profit instead of trying to get 20, 30, 40, 50, 80 pips profit, I bet you their win rate would skyrocket up to like 99. People have a tendency of holding trades too long, especially the 1 minutes. It's different if you're trading these 1 hours. Absolutely different. If you're not trading the 1 hours though, and you're trying to trade 30 seconds or 1 minute, and you're trying to hold them for like 80 pips, that shit ain't going to happen 9 times out of 10. Robel's in the money. Robel's flashing the money signs. All right. Here we go. Let's take a look at what people are asking. Then I'm going to have to come back to your guys' other comments here. All right. Let's take a look. We have Harry. I don't quite understand. Maybe I need to jump on advanced training for this question. However, when you say 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops, where's your entry? Well, here we go. 1 hour, 4 hour. Let's take a look. We're going to zoom in a little bit. These are 1 hour, 4 hour entries. Well, the first thing we got to do is this our logo? So let's take a look. Price starts below, told to come up, retraced, 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 retraced. So yeah, I'm going to go and say that our logo is formed on our 1 hour, 4 hours. This is SPX came up, retraced, 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 retraced. Boom, that's our logo. So yep, that looks fair enough to me. Then what do we have? We have NAS. Drew it out the exact same way. You didn't have to change anything. So look how they're so weird. NAS and SPX, exactly the same. NAS, SPX, whatever. Here's US 30, exactly the same. So do we have our logo here on the 4 hour? Yes, we do. So let's go over to here to our 4 hour right here. Let's just use SPX since that's the one I started with. Right here. That's what it looks like. And they literally are drawing out, look right here. They're literally drawing out our lines for us. This is our logo. Up, down. This is our logo. They're literally drawing out our logo for us on the 4 hour. I changed this from candles. Everyone, it's stunning to me how many people trade and they think there's only candles. No, there's not only candles. Let's take a look at this stuff, by the way, on TradingView, because I think a lot of you get confused. TradingView and MetaTrader 4 have the exact same charts. There's nothing different. There's nothing different. There's nothing different. But yet, oh, this isn't the same. This isn't the same. Yes, it is. It's all the same. There's nothing different between these charts. So let's go over to here. Let's go over to here. Let's go over to SPX. Let's go over to here. Let's go over to SPX. Let's go over to here. Let's go to 4 hour. Let's bring this back down. All right, on the top, I have 1 hour SPX. On the bottom, I have 4 hour SPX. The only way you can possibly know that is if you look at the blue up here to see what's changing. I know that drives a lot of you nuts, but that's the only way to know. All right, so what we're going to look on is SPX. Gorgeous. Your buy stop again, green, 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 red. Buy stop, green, 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 red. Buy stop, green, 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 red. Buy stop, and so on. So this is your buy stop. This is the sniper low, sniper high. It's dipping, but it's still high. So this is a 1 hour, 4 hour. So where would you go for entry? Let's take a look. This is my 1 hour. Let's go up to the 4 hour and see what we see. Yep. So if we're at a 4 hour SPX, right? Let's make this a little bit smaller so you guys can see that. Okay. This is our dip below. You would put your line and you would look for your best entry. So I'd go to the 4 hour. Hell, I'd even go to the daily. Nothing there is going to be too far away. 4 hour is beautiful. It went underneath right here on SPX. Let's go ahead and check NAS too while we're at it, because I think NAS did a little bit better is why I want to look at it. Nope, not much better. It did better over here. So you always want to go up to your highest time frame to see. So if it was a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, is it a good entry on the 1 hour? Yeah, it went underneath right here. You could put it on the green or yellow. Is it a good entry on the 4 hour? Not ideal. It ricocheted off. It was a much better entry over here yesterday and the day before when it was underneath this line. That's what you want on the 1 hour, 4 hour. You can also go down to the 30-minute to see if you can get even a better entry. So you look for your entries depending on which one you want, and you take it. I would say in this case, with the current 1 hour, 4 hour NAS, it would have been better on the 1 hour to take your entry. You'd have put it either, I would have put it on the green line is what I would do, but you could put it on the green or the yellow. The 4 hour would have been okay. You can see it dip below it right here, but that's tricky. That was 4 hours. It might have been down there for a minute. It might have been down there for 2 hours or 3 hours, but I like these when it dips below on the higher time frame. So that's your answer. Hope you appreciate that, Harry. Can you look at EURUSD? Let's take a look at EURUSD. Michael Stefani. Why do I like longer term always wins out? Short term for the 15-minute. You should get, Harry, I'm going to say this for the 50 millionth time over and over again to you. You need to get off your butt and buy the sniper. You need to buy the sniper. You need to transfer. You're going to have to transfer over. Every one of you are going to have to transfer over to TradingView at this time when you come up for renewal anyways, because we're not honoring. We can't honor. MetaTrader 4 is being destroyed. We can't put it back on MetaTrader 4 for any reason for any of you. I think yesterday I realized most of the time I was watching properly the logo, all my mistakes I was thinking at that point. There you go, Stefan. The sniper is a game changer. Yep. I mean, it's just simple as that. If you're, okay, let me be as specific as I can on this. I will never trade without the sniper ever. Period. You guys say what you want. You might like, you might not like it. I don't give a F. I will never trade. If my opinion matters at all, I'm telling you right now, I will never trade without the sniper. That's how important it is. Do with that knowledge as you will. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Okay, now let me, before you guys will get me carried away here. Check on the Gold Queen. Absolutely. I might even do it right now. ERUSD, GBP-USD. So Sandro's having trouble with ERUSD. Okay, sevens, you all understand that TradingView charts are the exact same thing as MetaTrader 4. Sevens, you can't say nines because they are. So sevens that you all understand that that's what that is. And now we're going to go over to ERUSD for Sandro. He's asking something specific. Let's go over to ERUSD. Sandra was asking, thank you, Tim. Thank you, Little Joe. Thank you, Kenny. Good morning, Jose, Luis, Alonzo. Sandra, can you help me with the ERUSD 5-minute, 15-minute? Sure, let's take a look. 5-minute, 15-minute. What about it? 1 minute. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, ERUSD. 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop. It's got to come up to the yellow line, though. It's got to form our logo. If you're having trouble with it, that's what it's doing. 30-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 30-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute. Nope. 15-minute, 1 hour. Nope. 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. That's it. 1 hour, 4 hour daily, daily. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. It's going to form these cells first, though. 1 minute buy stop, ERUSD. I say to the blue line, but wherever. 5-minute sell stop, or at least get close. 5-minute sell stops forming. 15-minute, 15-minute. Yeah, it's got to come up. It's got to form our logo. I don't understand the question. If you're trying to do a 5-minute, 15-minute, let's be clear on this. Price starts above, came down. The very first 3 times were the best. Those are the ones you should have took. It's got to come back up here and form our logo. So if that's what you're looking for, it has to come up. It has to be our logo on the 15-minute for there to be a 5-minute sell stop. Henceforth, why this has to come up. So if we look over here, when you're looking at all these 5-minute sell stops, look at them all. Look at all this shit. 5-minute sell stop. Sniper, 1, 2, 3, down, 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 down. So you've already missed it if you really are trying to be the first one. The very first one you should have did would have been off this 15-minute. Price was up high. Look, it's very specific. Starts up high, comes down, told to come up with the bullshit detector, made money. Told to come up with the bullshit detector, made money. Told to come up with the bullshit detector, made money. What do I mean by bullshit detector? These things right here is our bullshit detector. It sniffs out the lies. It should be called a lie detector, but I like bullshit. So this is sell stop normal, sell stop normal, sell stop normal. Red, red, red. Look at it. Sell stop. This is the first time it happened. If you're trying to trade ERUSD, you're a day late and $1 short. You're completely missed the boat on this. This happened overnight. This is when you should have been in the trade. You literally are too late. If you're trying to tell me, well, I'm still trying to make the trade, well, go ahead and make the trade. It's a 5-minute sell stop. But the reality is you should have already made that trade a long time ago. You should have been in this trade a while ago. So if I'm trying to help you here, I'm trying to tell you you're taking table scraps off of something that you shouldn't be dealing with. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, or at least towards it. And that's it. So I don't know how much I can help you on that. Let me take a look on GBP USD. I hope that did help you, by the way. GBP USD, I'm sure it's going to be the exact same thing. Watch and see. Yep, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, by the way. 5-minute sell stop, GBP USD, and let's see, 5-minute, 15-minute, same exact principle, the exact same trades. So I don't know what else to say to you. That's all. So I'm not going to go into detail on that one. All right. Maria, let me see if I can get a hold of Kim. You know, we can email her too, Maria. Why are you reading my mail, says Bob Hooten. Why are you reading my mail? I don't know what that means. Hello. Good morning, Tarkees. He does it. Good morning, Jacob Silva. 5-minute oil. Let's check oil. I just made money on the sell. It was just a quick little one. Let's see. 1 minute. Still a 1 minute sell. I still say it's going to go down to the blue line first before it rises up. But 5-minute buy stop. Yeah. Oil's doing its thing. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, either or. Why do you like the 1 hour, 4 hour, the 15-minute? No, this is what you like, Michael Stefani. Let's be clear. The only trade, every one of you that are having trouble, every one of you that's having trouble, or you want just a very, 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 very extremely accurate trade, is you wait for these 15-minute, 1 hour buy stops or sell stops to form. And I'll go back as far as my trades can go, which isn't too far because right now with the memory on this one isn't too far, but I can go back probably at least a month or two. Whenever you see a 15-minute, 1 hour sell stop on all 3 indices, NAS, US 30, and SPX, whenever you see a sell stop or buy stop on the 15-minute, 1 hours, They work out. Everyone, please say yes, you understand. The only trade that you should be taking if you're having troubles entering trades should be when all three NAS, SPX, and US 30 have the buy stop or sell stop on the 15-minute 1 hours. The only trade, please type out yes or no. If you don't understand that, there's no argument. There's no reason to write no, because the only trade you should be taking is the 15-minute 1 hour when all three indices match. Please type out yes, that you understand that, so I know I'm not talking to mute people here. Okay, so what's up, Michelle? I think I realized, nope, the sniper is a game changer. Yep. So Michael Stefani, do you understand that? Now, why do I like it in particular this case? Well, because it's making us money right now. No. Why do I like the 1 hour, 4 hours? I don't. 1 hour, 4 hours take a very long time to develop. The reason why I'm leaning to the 1 hour, 4 hour now, because the only place we have a 15-minute sell stop is on SPX. We don't have a complete sell stop on NAS. We have nothing of the sorts of a sell stop on US 30. So the only one we have a true sell stop on, kind of, is SPX. So I can't call a 15-minute 1 hour when there isn't one. I'm just literally calling this 15-minute sell so that we can make some money. So when they announce their drop today, hopefully they do, that this will bring this shit back down to reality and we can start seeing some negative shit. Because I want to see this pull back. This 15-minute alone right here is too far away. This 15-minute is just too far away. You go up to the 1 hour, you go up to the 4 hour. It's psychotic. Look at the daily. Look at your daily, how far it is away from these yellow and red lines. It's ridiculous. SPX is too far away. It has to come down. NAS, too far away. It has to come down. US 30, too far away. Look at US 30. This is like, I don't even know. It should be illegal how far away this is. You're going to see the last time it bolted up, it was about 2,000 pips. This time it's bolting up, it's about 2,200 pips. Anytime it's about that far away, you better start looking for a pullback. 1,400. Here's another one. 3,000. See, this is insane to me. Here's another one. Hold on. 1,800. Another one. Shit. Well, the first time. And then 2,000 second time right here. Yeah, 3. So it can go up. I mean, look at some of these things, they never bring back down. I'm telling you, if you guys knew the silliness that is in our trading system, you guys probably wouldn't sleep at night. Let me be specific of what I'm saying. If you go over here and you go over to the weekly, and let's go over to the daily too. Watch. We go over to the daily. They rarely bring it down. If we go over to the weekly, it's insanity. This is from 2009. 2009 is the last time it hit its blue line. 2009. Let's go forward if you guys want to have an eye-opening experience. This is the big catastrophe. This is where everything's, no, it wasn't. It's just a buy stop. This is on 2020. It never hit the blue line. So from 2009 till now, it has never gone back down to hit its blue line. That's 14 years. 14 years. I don't know what to tell you. This is insane. Oh, but it surely didn't happen on NAS. There's NAS, and I'm not surely. Surely it didn't happen on SPX. There's SPX. Never, ever, ever have they allowed it to go back down. Let's compare that with ERUSD. Notice anything different? There's ERUSD to the blue line, to the blue line, to the blue line, to there it is. Well, surely they didn't do it to, I don't know, let's pick one randomly. AUD New Zealand. Oh, yeah, they did. Look, AUD New Zealand was up, came back down to its blue line. Surely they didn't do it to here. Yep, there it is, starting below its blue line, came up to its blue line. Surely they didn't do it here. They do it on everything. Every symbol, look, here it is, right, look at it. Came up, came down, came up, came down, came down, came up. That's USD JPY. They do it on every symbol, but not our three indices. Look at this straight rocket ship. Oh, XRP to the moon. Bullshit. US 30 to the moon. How can someone explain to me how US 30 and NAS have never come back down in 14 years? Can anyone say possibly there might be some kind of manipulation going on, some kind of silliness? Look at it. You can't tell me that this, oh no, yeah, this is the truth. Look at it. There she blows. There she blows. Yep. Good job. Has nothing to do with inflation, Malachi. Nothing. That is the correct answer. Jason L. Had no idea until I met you. Yep. Michael Stefani. Yeah, I made the right call. Thanks, Mike. Appreciate the vote of confidence there, brother. Hey, Annie Apple. Good morning, John Francisco. Amicus Bezek. Kev, are you still in that 14-year trade? No. And back then, I wasn't trading. And back then, I would have lost that trade 100 times and 3 times more on the same day on Thursday. No, that's funny. Good morning, Eugene Poole. Yeah, so this it has nothing to do with inflation. If it was inflation, then explain to me gold. See, gold comes down and hit its blue line. Look, came up, came down. No. If it's inflation, this is so weird to me. Watch, I'm going to blow you guys even further. Let's go over to symbols, and I'm going to pull open some weird ass ones that you guys probably never even thought of trading. Let's go over to indices. Let's go over to German 30, and let's take a look at German 30. Oops, hold on. So German 30, which has nothing to do with, oh, shit, I can't pull open German 30. Sorry, hold on. I'll show you a few others. It cracks me the hell up. There is no logical explanation for this other than it's a scam. That's all you have. Maybe I can do France. I don't know. Let me see. It won't let me pull up the, oh man, fudgicles. Are you, hold on then. Ho. Now this is just pissing me off. Let me see if I can't do France. Let me see these ones. Australian, ESP. I'll take these down. Japan. Now let's see. No. Really? Son of a Japan? Yes. Okay. So here's Japan. Oh, all the markets are interrelated and they're all, what the fuck? What does Japan have to do with, hold on, I gotta hide these other ones. Have to do with, well, America and Japan, they're closely, whatever. Why is the Japan stock market look exactly like US 30, which looks exactly like NAS, which looks exactly like SPX, which, by the way, looks exactly like German 30, which, by the way, looks exactly like the Australian, whatever the fuck they call themselves, which, by the way, looks exactly like the Mexican one. How do they all look exactly the same? No, they're artificially keeping things up, and I don't care what anyone says. By the way, to me, this looks like they're keeping things up, and they're forming a huge, and I don't know how long it'll take, M. And this is something that will be a double top, and I have a feeling when they do this, they're going to pile drive this shit down into the ground, forcing us to adapt over to a digital currency in the United States and in the world. Now, that might be a little bit off. Who knows? I'm probably wrong. But yeah, that's my best guess of why they're doing this. Too long to type. I'll have to just agree. No, it's manipulated, Malachi. It's 100% manipulated. Okay, if the markets weren't manipulated, if the markets weren't silly, Malachi, then my system wouldn't work. And you'll never convince me otherwise because my system works. So my system proves that the markets are controlled because my system works. if these buy stops and sell stops that you can clearly see right here on a weekly, monthly basis, right? This is nothing more. This is nothing more than a broken Bach weekly, monthly buy stop. You can clearly see it. There's it is. There's your buy stop. There's a non-broken Bach, and here's the weekly broken Bach. So if you can see this and trade this, that means this market is controlled and that it is not what you think it is. And since my system works flawlessly as best as humans can interpret it, yeah, we're doing pretty good on that one. Yes, BlackRock, Vanguard, yes, they do. No. We've had deflationary, we've had inflations over the last 14 years. Inflation has been 1%, inflation has been 300% or 14%. Inflation in the 80s. Oh, what a joke. Good morning, Joe Dixon. Good morning, Joe. Good morning, Sandro again and Annie. All right, but just anyways, it's just silly to me how you know they manipulate things. That's all, and it's not even close. Nothing goes straight up forever. Nothing. This will come up. This will form a double top. Let me draw it out for you so I can show you what I mean. This will eventually have to do this right here. And it might do a triple top. I don't know. Maybe hook through that. But they are going to set this up for the drop. That's all it's going to be. They will drop this. And when they do, I don't know. I hope we make a shit ton of money on the way down. In the meantime, I'm going to keep making money on the way up, on the way down, on the way up, on the way down, and just have fun doing it. Yeah, see, I didn't think we're quite finished yet. We have the touch to the blue line. I'd like oil to come back to the blue line again. Again, what I like and what will happen, I don't know. I think we should see a little further down, though, on oil. And if you want to just pop off a long-term one, feel free. Do a buy stop. It's going to go up. Just a matter, will it go down first to the blue line before oil goes up? I don't know. I made my money on the down. I'm cool with that. There's the gold up to the blue line as said. To the 1 minute blue line. Sell stop, 5 minute to the blue line, gold. I would rather you play a 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop on gold. It needs to dip down a little bit more though. It needs to dip down to here. I'd prefer it to dip down to here, to the yellow line or below it. So let gold come down a little bit. It's been on a tear though, so I don't know if we'll get that or not. Good morning, my brother. This drop will introduce digital currency. Yes, Amilcar Spezia. I just said that multiple times. Yes, sir. I do believe when they eventually drop this hard, it will be that. And he does know after all. I'm like, you're funny. Good morning, my brother. All right. Oh, yay. There's 52 people on TikTok. Thank you all. A few more people want to head over to TikTok. Feel free. Today, I am not going to be as forgiving. I will immediately pull YouTube if I don't see at least 50 people over on YouTube, on TikTok. I mean, my TikTok channel is The Real Safety Trade. All right, Mike, I already made a little money on a sell on oil this morning on a knockout. It wasn't much. It was like $6 or $8 on the contract. I just wanted to tag it and make the money. We're currently in some buy stops, 1 minute buys on US 30. I think from back here, we're up some money on the buy stop from when I called in on NAS, from when I called in. There's another one. Why didn't someone tell me there's a fucking another NAS buy stop? SPX also. There you go. Buy stop. Doop, doop. There again. From 12 minutes ago. Kevin called the Euros buy stop to the blue line. I entered on his call, currently up 800. Oh, nice. Thank you, Tommy. What's up, Tommy? What's up, Kick? Tommy knows how to fucking trade. He doesn't need any of my help. Tommy knows how to fucking trade. ERUSD. Buy stop to the 1 minute. Yep. Buy stop. Then it's going to be a 5 minute. Now, Tommy, just, you know the routine. Keep your eyes open. It's going to hit this yellow line or go a little bit above it, and then hook and come back down. Again, I was telling Sandro, I think it was, or whoever it was, he's a little late to this trade. These 15-minute and 5-minute sell stops should have already been eaten, right? So that's why it's coming back up again. It's going to go up. Whether it touches this blue line or not, just like Tommy's doing right now, Whether it touches this blue line is irrelevant. It's going towards this blue line and made money for him. That's all that matters. Don't need lies. I only trade as good as I do now because, oh, thanks, Tommy. I appreciate that. No, Tommy caught on to this trading system within, I'd say, a half hour, an hour. He was making like $10,000 trades. Right after I got done trading with him, he's making fucking bank. He's making a ton of money. What's up, Yoda? Oh, Tommy is an expert trader. Exceptionally good trader. Exceptionally good man. He, by the way, Tommy deserves all kinds of applause. I should say that every time he comes on. He's the one who started our Discord and made our Discord. It made me keep the Discord when I didn't want to. He was like, you should keep it. People like to be in there. And they do. And it's become more of a positive thing. So I've learned to enjoy it more. I was very much not enjoying the Discord, but Tommy is the one who created our Discord. He goes by Kick in there or Tommy Toodles on TikTok and stuff like that. Or Kick here. But yeah, he's everyone should be giving Tommy a round of applause. Actually, a standing O. He's the one literally who created the Discord, talked me into the Discord, and kept me in the Discord because there was a long time in there where I was really pissy with the Discord and didn't like it at all. So thank you, Tommy, very much. And thank you for being with me. I mean, Tommy's been with me a while now. I'm assuming it's been over a year, Tommy. I don't know. Tommy Toodles on. Oh, okay. Gotcha, Kick. Joe Biggett says thanks. Henry Chastain says thanks. Joe Dixon waves to Tommy. Yep. Absolutely deserves it. Steve says, yep. Great job, Tommy. Yep. Thanks, Tommy. Joe Dixon says, Larry Cooper says, Tommy. Yeah, close to a year and a half. I figured as much. I think Tommy's coming up. What is it? Probably somewhere around February and March. I think he's coming up on his 2-year. Yep. And by the way, Tommy's a freaking genius. Jeez. Freaking genius. And he literally, I think you're a senior electrical engineer. I'm not sure. He's an engineer of some sort, right? And by the way, he's a new father again. Yay. Well, the baby. Oh my goodness. How old's the baby? I don't even want to know. Tommy, don't tell me if your newborn is over 6 months old. I don't want to know. But his new dad is a great dad, great husband. I mean, just a good man. Yeah, go Tommy. Yep. Senior electrical engineer. I knew it. Yay. Wealth Creation Project. Thanks, Tommy. Yep. Kenny J. Thanks, Tommy. Yep. Everyone should be thanking him. And he's so fucking smart. It's just incredible. Just fucking genius, that guy is. Just a good man and a genius. So if Tommy didn't think the system worked, he wouldn't be with me for a year and a half, right? Tommy's not an idiot. I don't know Tommy from a hill of beans. Just met him online. I don't know details about Tommy, anything. I do know that he's been a stand-up man. I know he's been a man of his word. I know he's done everything he told me he would do and then some. And I know that he is extremely smart. And he wouldn't have stayed with me for a year and a half if the system did not work. Ben Hewlett, Tommy is your cousin. Pff, fuck, he is. The only people on here that's related to me is Dr. Michael P. Grego. He's my brother. I do have Mike Glowinski, who I've known for 40 years. I do have Michelle Glowinski, who I've known for 40 years. Those are my friends. Those aren't my cousins either. And I'm assuming Bob Hewlett is being jokeful, because if Bob wasn't being joking, I would kick him right out of the live right now. But I'm sure he's being silly. She's almost 9 months. Holy shit, she's 9 months? Tommy, wow. Normally I'd tell him to enjoy it, make sure he remembers these precious times, but he's smart enough to know that. 9 months. Fuck. Yeah. I remember when she wasn't even around. I mean, like even in the baby in the womb or anything. That's crazy. Congratulations, Tommy. Yay, 9 months. Man, I'm getting old. Doesn't stop, does it? You get invited to the Discord, Kenny J. You have to buy the system. You don't get into the Discord without buying the system. We tried having it open to the public. Never again. Never again. The Discord's only for people who actually own the system, buy the system. The system truly works about practice being able to identify which time frame is trying to make a safe trade symbol up or down. Exactly. I agree with you, Tommy. Hopefully we can hang out for years to come. That'd be awesome. Thomas Arnold, my first year is coming up in December. Awesome, Thomas. Yay. I think there's a lot of people's 1 year anniversaries coming up between December, January, February, and March. I think a lot of people are on their 1 year anniversary. Tons and tons and tons are coming up. Oh, Kenny J, you are in the system, Kenny? Then you shouldn't have to ask that question. Everybody, answer Kenny J's question if you would, please. How does Kenny J get into the Discord? Does he look at his type form, or does he, I don't know, pray to God? What does he do? Everybody answer. How does Kenny J figure out how to get into the Discord? You have to follow directions. It's in your type form. Buy the effing system, Robel says. No one knows how to get the to join the Discord. Is that right? I tell Kick all the time. I thank for him showing me your system. Nice. Oh, Thomas. So you did come from Tommy. Yeah. Well, Kick. That's nice. Nice. So yes, you follow your Discord, the type form. The type form is the you should do a. What am I going to tell you? Go back to your type form and then follow how it says to get into the Discord. It'll tell you, Kenny. If you don't know what the type form is, the very first thing you bought that set up everything for you. There's instructions in there. By the system, says John Stir, Dennis. Yeah, kicking all your friends outside. Nice, Thomas. That's awesome. Wait 2 months to learn and ask Bree nicely. Where do you correct? Wait a couple months and then write a nicely worded email to Bree. Correct, Rebel. It's actually follow the type form, but he's more specific for you. 1 year here. Jacob, it's been 1 year. Congratulations. I knew him before I knew you. Nice, Thomas. Yeah, I'm sure, Thomas, that if Tommy said, oh, look into this system, you immediately said, okay, I'm going to look into the system because that's the kind of guy Tommy is, that Kick is. Kick is just that kind of man. I'm sure if he tells someone something, they're going to listen. Absolutely. Yep. All right. We have just a few minutes before the news comes out. This is how you play the news. Number 1, you don't. Number 2, you don't. Number 3, you don't. Number 4, you don't. Number 5, you don't. Do not play CPI unless you have big kahunas and you can move really, really, really fast. My personal opinion, and if we can get this to happen, I will be extremely grateful. Price is going to do this, come up, come up, come up. They're going to hook it down like this, and then they're going to squish it. If they can hook it down real deep for us, especially, so dude, this is going to be hard to do. I know they're not probably going to do this, but especially if they can give us a hook down like this on the daily, that's going to be a lot of pips. Yeah, I don't see that occurring. They probably can't even do, and I mean, they'd probably be investigated if they did it. Oh, that is NAS? Hold on, let me see. US 30. Yeah, I don't see. They're not going to drop it that hard. So let's assume they're not going to drop it that hard. Let's see if they can pull us back, maybe at least on the 5-minute or the 15-minute. So don't take any sell stops at all unless I turn around and call a sell stop. What I want you guys to look for is this pullback right here, where they bring price down below our yellow and red line, at least on the 5-minute, maybe even the 15-minute. And if we're super lucky, the 30-minute. And if we're blessed, the 1 hour. And they can drop this shit down on the 1 hour to here. So if they bring us down to here again, I'll be very, 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 very happy. I want this to pull back down. So if we can get that, then I'll be extremely thrilled. Okay, now I'm going to pull up. Hold on. I'm going to pull up NAS over here. We're going to go to the 1 minute. Okay. Buy, stop, buy. Is this a 1 minute NAS buy right now? Well, stay out of the market. Don't do the fucking buy. It is. Hold on. forming another 1 minute buy stop. Okay. Yeah, here it is. 6 minutes to whatever CPI bullshit news they got, right? Any silly news. So this is what you got. Buy stop 1 minute. Do not play the market. Let me be clear. Do not play it. Number two, if you're going to play it, lock in profit. So if you're going to play this trades, lock in your profits. You don't have to worry about shit. Number three, you're going to have to move fast and furiously. This shit's going to go up and down like motherfucking you haven't seen. You can clearly see these average candles right now are somewhere in the neighborhood of 2 pips, right? To a grand total of 6. Hold on. We must be on the other one. Let me go. This US 30? Yeah. So you can see clearly that these candles are about 5 pips to maybe 8 or 9 pips. You're about to see candles that are going to be through the fucking roof. You're about to see candles that are 50, 100 pips. Be ready for the movement. When I call it, do it. There is 1 minute buy stops. There is a 15-minute sell stop on SPX. I'm not trading it. I'm not calling it. I did call it. I'm not trading the sells. I'm going to sit here and wait. Matter of fact, I'm going to pull open my indices and see if I can possibly get a good movement. Which one do I want to see? I'm probably going to watch really closely a buy stop on US 30 is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to watch this super closely. Super, super, super closely. You're in the money on the buy on the US 30 1 minute. You're in the money on the buy. Hoping for a pullback. You're in the money on the buy on NAS. Hoping for a pullback. I wouldn't stay in these trades if you paid me. Well, I'm staying in NAS because I'm up 700, 800 pips. I don't know if Tommy saw that trade. I'm up 845 pips. So I'm going to stay in that trade, but I would not be in any of these. 1 minute buy stops are in the money across the board on all 3 indices. If you're going to play gold, I wish you wouldn't. There's the gold to the blue line touch. Perfection. Perfection on that trade. Thank God. There's the gold to the 1 minute blue line. ERUSD, is it to the blue line yet? No, but Tommy's in a lot of money. I'm sure Tommy's up a lot of money. We wouldn't lie to you. Please buy the system. Kick is super smart. We both wouldn't lie to you. Nice. Thank you, Thomas. I exited all my trades before. Excellent. There you go. Tommy's smart as fuck. Told you. That's what you do. All right. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get ready because this is going to be fun, fun, fun. I'm lined up, ready to go. I wouldn't have any trades open at all, but I do have, and by the way, Tommy, I'm sure you made some good money on those trades. I'm leaving my NAS trade open because this is my take profit. So my take profit is from here to here. I'm up 500. Matter of fact, I got to raise that up a little bit. Hold on. Ooh. See, I wanted to give it some room to breathe. I'm willing to eat that. I really am. I'm going to let that breathe. Yeah, I want to let this breathe. I think we can get a pull down, a real hard pull down before it arches up again. 1 hour buy stop, 1 minute buy stop, 15-minute sell stops. Do with that information as you please. I'm telling you right now, I'm not taking any trades until this thing moves. Let CPI do what it's going to do. If you're looking for that SPX sell stop on the 15-minute, be extremely careful. I don't care if I miss all the money in the earth. If it just goes straight up, I'll just make more money on my NAS anyways. And I really, really want to see 1,000 pips on this trade. I hope it goes up. I mean, I wouldn't mind if it goes down so we could all make some money, but I sure would like another 160 pips, even if it's temporarily. I want to see 1,000 on that trade. Anywho, here we go. Where are we? Yep. I'm excited. I'm going to stand up for this one. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, be ready to roll. This is a true CPI, which I don't know if Tommy exited. It must be a true CPI. We're going to actually see some movement this morning. We're all going to be able to make some money. We'll get in and out quickly. Don't fuck around with your trades. Move fast, move fast, move fast. Okay? Patrick, what's up, Patrick? Good morning. Patrick and Tommy here. What a great morning this is. Patrick C, what a great man. Tommy, we got 60 people on YouTube, our TikTok. We have 105 on YouTube. Thanks for being over to TikTok. I didn't want to have to kick you guys out of YouTube. Awesome. Already posted my trade for the day. Trade rate cap only. Nice, Tommy. Thank you, sir. Can't trade quickly by my phone. No, definitely I wouldn't trade CPI with your phone at all for any reason whatsoever. All right, here we go. 1 minute now. Let me see. Do I have NAS up here or SPX? I don't even know where the fuck I'm at. Hold on. What's up, Patrick? Pat's been kicking ass. All right, expecting a full pullback. If it happens, I'll get us some money. If it doesn't, I can't help us. If it goes straight up, there's nothing I can do. 1 minute buy stops. Do not play the market open for the 50 millionth time. 1 minute buy stops. 1 hour buy stops. 15-minute sell stop on SPX. The only trades I can call, I'm not taking the sell even if it happens. I'm going to wait. Here we go. Watch what happens. We're going to see it in 30 seconds. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Woo! You guys can't get stoked for one of these things. You're in the wrong profession. This is a blast. I used to be scared of CPI. I used to be scared of FTMS. I used to be scared of non-farm payroll, NFP. Now I thrive on it. It's a blast. All right, let's hope for a pullback. Pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down. Pull. 1 minute buy stop, 1 hour buy stop, 15-minute sell stop on SPX. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And what the fuck? This is CPI? Yo, what the fuck? There's our pullback. Buy stop, 1 minute, US 30. Buy stop, NAS. Buy stop, US 30. Buy stop, NAS. Boom, in the money. There you go. That was a shitty pullback. You're in the money. Sell, sell. Close down your US 30 and your SPX and your US 30 buy stops. Back again. Buy stop, US 30. Buy stop, US 30. I don't know if I can gather in. I don't know if I can get in quick enough. Let me see NAS. Buy stop, US 30, 1 minute. Let it go down further. There you go. There's a drop. Let it keep going. Buy stop, NAS, 1 minute. Let it keep going down further and further and further and further and further and further and further. Let it keep going down until it can't go down any further. There you go. There you go. Buy stop. Nice. In the money on your buy. Close your money. Close your buy stop down. Close your buy stop down on US 30 unless you opened up more than one. NAS, in the money on NAS buy stop. In the money on your NAS buy stop. Close it down unless you have more than one. In the money on your SPX buy stop. We're up 12 pips. 12 pips on US 30. Close it down. 17 pips on US 30. 18 pips on US 30. That's the current trade, the $1,800 one. Close down your US 30. That is some nice fucking money. Do I have time to get the option? I probably do not. Lock in your profit or take profit out. Lock in profit or take profit out. Either or, up to you. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do, take it out or keep it. I don't care. Take your profit out of US 30. You just made 1,700 pips, or well, 17 pips. Take your profit out of NAS. Take your profit out. Come on, give me one of these. There we go. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. I'm going to go over here. We're going to go over here. Let's go over here and let's take this one and see what happens. All right, we're going to close this down in just a second. I'm going to just take these options right there. And let's see what happens. Close. Okay, there you go. Now, oh, took profit on my US 30. Buy stop again, 1 minute. Buy stop again, 1 minute. Can we get SPX? SPX is beautiful. Buy stop SPX, 1 minute. Just wait. You just made 17 pips. NAS buy stop. Just wait. US 30. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Nice. In the money on my buy options, knockout options. $10, $20 per contract. I have 2 of them. $6 per contract. I'm going to close one down. There's your money on that. Just wait. We're in a zero rush. Let it do its thing. If it's going to, I would prefer it to dip down way further. It has not dipped down enough. It hasn't even gone down to its fucking 5-minute line yet, really. Wow, that was kind of a dud on the CPI. I want it to go down further. Come on now. Let's go down further. Come on. Let's go down further. Let's make some money. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Damn, really? This was CPI? This is the weakest CPI I've ever seen in my life. Up $30 on my options. Take your money out. Take your money out. You're in the money again on your 1 minute buy stops on US 30. Take your money out. Take your money out. I don't know what NAS is doing. Let's see what NAS is doing. Buy stop 1 minute NAS, but again, I want it to fall further. There's no rush on these. Take your time. SPX 1 minute buy stop. They need to fall. What's gold doing? Oh, look at gold. Look at gold. Oh, shit. 1 minute gold. 1 minute gold. Hold on. Going over to my knockouts, going back into the commodities, going over to gold. Let's just see what we see on gold. Let's just see what we see on gold. There we go. Okay, we're in a gold one now. Nice. Let's see what happens. All right, gold, 1 minute buy stop, back to the blue line, ricochet. Gold, 5 minute sell stop. Gold, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop. Gold, forming a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Gold, nice. That is gold. What did ERUSD do? Let's see. Look what they did, Tommy. They shook it right all the way up. They came up, touched the blue line, and dipped it down. They came up, touched the blue line, and dipped it down. Look at that shit. They came up, the 1 minute buy stop, absolutely perfection. Then what did they do? 5 minute sell, 15 minute sell. I like that. 15 minute sell, 30 minute sell. Yep, they went up and touched the line. Is it too late for me to get an ERUSD one, though? I'm going to pass on ERUSD for the moment. Okay, ERUSD did perfect. Everyone see that? Look how beautiful that is. They reached up, touched it. Tommy, oof, too bad you couldn't keep a little of those open, but that's better. Be safe than sorry on that shit. US 30. Come on, nothing? Really? US, that was beautiful on gold. Beautiful on ERUSD. NAS. Touchdown blue line. Touchdown blue line. NAS 1 minute. Look for 1 minute sells on US 30 and SPX. Look for 1 minute sells on US 30 and SPX to their blue lines. NAS has hit its blue line. Yep. 1 minute buy stop. Can we do it off a 5 minute? Yep, kind of. Let me see SPX. That was gorgeous. ERUSD and gold. 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute. Not calling it. Look for 1 minute sell stops to the blue line on SPX and US 30. Or just be patient and do your little 5 minute buy stop off the blue line, yellow line when it comes down there. That's all. Either or. That was a dud of a movement, though. Damn, that was shitty. Oh, well. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Weak news. I know, right? It's almost like it's pre-planned narrative. I know, right, Kick? Morning, ready to watch it. What's up, Harris? Good morning. Good morning, Patrick. How awesome. That was a kind of a shitty movement. We didn't get much movement here, but at least it's movement. Half the time I'm sitting here picking my nose with you guys in the morning. So watching paint dry. Let's see. 1 minute's forming here. 1 minute, 5 minute is forming for a buy stop on US 30. It's going to dip a little. Will it go all the way down to its blue line? I don't know about that now. Maybe. NAS hit its blue line. Let's see NAS here. 1 minute, 5 minute. 5 minute, 5 minute NAS. 5 minute, 15 minute. That sure is looking like a, what is that, a 15 minute? Sure is looking like a 15 minute. Let me see something right here. That was a little fun. Fine. Fine. Yeah. All right. SPX, 1 minute buy stop forming. NAS, 1 minute buy stop forming. US 30, 1 minute buy stop forming. Unofficially, sell stop US 30 to the blue line. Unofficially, SPX sell stop towards the blue line. ERUSD. Look at how beautiful that was. I don't even know if, look at what they did. Logo, boom, boom, and then they shot it up and dipped it down. If that's not a manipulated market, I don't know what is. What about gold? Look at this shit. Gold, the exact same thing. Logo over, popped it up. Wow. Ricochet, buy stop, gold. 1 minute, 5 minute, gold. 5 minute, 15 minute, sell stop, gold. Okay. Let's see. Don't care. US 30 again. Let's see US 30. Forming a 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop, US 30. In the money on my buys. Is that US 30 or is that gold? Which one am I in the money on? Wall Street 30. In the money on Wall Street 30. In the money on my Wall Street 30s. Nice. Take the money and run if you're back in profit. I'm assuming that's up on the 1 minute. It is. You're in the money on the profit on the 1 minute buy stops. Mine's been closed out, though. I took profit on that. Let me see. NAS. 1 minute. Your 1 minute buy stop on NAS in the money, but I would be careful with NAS. I don't know why. I just be careful with NAS. I wouldn't rush into NAS, in other words. SPX. Oh, in the money on the SPX buy. You're in the money on the US 30 buys. Let me see the gold now. Let me see if gold's doing what it's doing. 1 minute buy gold ricochet. 5 minute sell gold. 5 minute, 15 minute sell gold. Forming a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop gold. Damn, not really what I want on gold. It's not moving a lot. Okay. Took profit on one of my Wall Street 30s. Took profit on it. Going to let the other one run a little bit and see what happens here. Too far away. I still want this pullback. It is just too far away on its 15-minute chart. This needs to come down. Why couldn't they have pulled this fucking thing down a few hundred pips? Damn it. That sucks. Oh, well, I hope you all made some money. That was pretty pitiful, though. I got to be honest with you. Anticlimactic. That's our CPI, maybe because it's around the holidays. Oh, well. Let me see NAS again real quick. One minute sell stop to the blue line. I'm telling you. Ricochet, sell stop NAS. If you don't want to take that trade, then do the 5 minute buy stop on NAS. SPX, you're in the money. Yeah, there's nothing. Unofficially, if you want to look for an SPX sell stop to the blue line and a US sell stop to the blue line, you can on the 1 minute. Wow, that was pitiful. I really wanted to make some fucking money. Well, I mean, we made a little. I mean, 17, 20 pips on that trade isn't bad. This is the NAS one. Yep. NAS back to the blue line. It wasn't much of a ricochet. I can't help it, but it is a ricochet nonetheless. About 10 pips, maybe 8, 10, 12 pips. Came up, right? Came down, ricocheted off, came back down to it. Now, wait for it to flip. There you go. Can we get it to the blue line? Yeah, we sure can. 5 minute maybe. Yeah, 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line NAS. Can't call it. I mean, I'm not calling that. Let's just hope for a nice pullback before market open, and then we'll be able to make some more money. Let me see gold again. Yeah, gold is there. Gold 5 minute sell stops in the money. Gold coming down to form a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Yep, let it keep coming down. It has to form our logo right here. Right here has to go do like this, do like this. It has to come down like that. Let it come down. Let gold come down more and then get into the entry. Or play the down. I mean, that's your choice if you want to play it down on that. US 30. US 30 in the money on the buy. US 30s in the money on my options. 15 minute. Yeah, it just needs to pull back. I'm going to keep saying that till I'm blue in the face. I don't know. Maybe it won't. All right, Kai, it was PCE and unemployment claims. Well, PCE sucks my, well, okay, it's bullshit. I thought someone said it was CPI. Fucking news. I hate news. Even when I want news to do good, it still doesn't do anything. Good morning, Kim the Candle MVA. Yeah, I don't give a fuck about news, Kai. Unless it's CPI, unless it's NFP, the big boys. The only thing that matters at the market are the big boys. These things suck ass. In the money, really good. $20 an option on my options right now. Very happy with that. Thank you, Kai, but news blows. Useless. So if we purchase the system, do we start using TradingView as our main platform? Absolutely, Tarkeezy does it. I mean, if you haven't purchased a system yet, dude, you've been stalking me for like 2 years. It's just stretched. Patrick, get your money here. Patrick, get your money here. All right, let's go over to TradingView then, because that was a huge ass letdown. Let's take a look. We better hope to God this shit falls before the open so we can get some more money in here. Come on now. Shit ain't coming down for. All right, this is TradingView. This is what you get when you purchase the system. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. You get the system on TradingView today. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. All right, this is what you get. Wow. Let's see over here. We go to the 1 minute. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what we can do a 1 minute, 3 minute. That's one of the better things you can do on TradingView is 1 minute, 3 minutes. Yep. Let's see what we got here. We can go down to 30 seconds. Aha! Now we're on to something. 30 seconds. Let's see how gorgeous this is. Look at these 30 seconds. So for 30 seconds, you can do a 30-second 3 minute, or you can do a 30-second 1 minute. Zippity yay. I always like the 30-second 3 minute though. And let's see what we got. Look at this. This is amazing. You can't do 30 seconds on MetaTrader 4 no matter how hard you try. Let's take a look, and I'll teach you exactly how this stuff works. Look at this. All right, here we go. This is what you see. How awesome is this? TradingView. 30-second candles. Yes, we can use those. Morning, Sydney. What's up, Sid? It is, Tark. Time for you to get in, my brother. Either shit or you're in the money on your options. $22 an option. Wow. Nice on Nadex knockouts. Nice. I hope my brother took that one. You're up $25 an option. All right, look. This is how you read a chart. This is what it looks like on TradingView. You buy the system for $575. You get a type form. The type form holds your hand and walks you through everything, how to get everything set up. Then on Monday at 1 o'clock p.m., you get small group training classes with me. It was only like 8 or 10 people in the group this past Monday, right? It can be 100, 150, but it'll be a small group training class from 1 to 2-ish, 2:15, whatever. And then at 2:15, 2:30, I do advanced training. But what you're going to do at 1 o'clock is you're going to learn this. What you're going to learn is this. 3 minute down here, you wait for the sniper. If you don't have the sniper, you should get it. It's $150 a month extra. If you don't have the sniper, this is what your charts look like. You can read them, not a problem. I'm not saying you need the sniper. I'm telling you it helps out a fucking shit ton. I won't trade without the sniper, that blue and pink thing. The blue and pink thing's $150 a month extra for the second time. But how do you read it? All you do is this. Number one is the blue. I dumbed down my the green, red, green system down to 2 lines. Blue line, sniper, is it high? Blue line, sniper, is it low? You can't beat this. Look at it. There it is. What happens next? Confirmation. Did the pink drop down with it? It wasn't ideal on this one. It was better on these further ones, but it still dropped down. Number 4, is there a buy stop right here? If you look clearly, green, red, green, buy stop. This is on a 30-second. Yes, you can make sense out of 30-second candles. Not only does it work on 30-second candles, which I am part of the rules now, 30-second with 3 minutes. It also works on 1-second candles. Some people are really impressed with that. So let me show you what that looks like. It is wild to me because I never thought in a billion years I'd be able to trade, 1-second candles and they make any sense at all, right? Like who the fuck? You can't make sense out of any 1-second candles, except you can. For instance, here it is. Green, red, green, buy stop. It went up 1-second candles. My system works. Look at this. Green, 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 red, it went up. Green, 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 red, green, green, it went up. Look, broken Bach went up. 1 second? Fuck, this is a scalper's dream. This is a scalper's dream right here. 1 second candles. Never in a million years would I ever do it, but it does work on 15-second candles. We have a gentleman who's working on that. One of our members is kicking ass, and I officially allow it to be done on 30-second candles. And by the way, here it is over and over again. Buy stop number 1, always the best. Buy stop number 2, buy stop number 3, buy stop number 4. There they are. We're up $27 per contract now. Look at it go up. Buy stop again. Over and over and over again. Flat line. Pink down low. Blue line. Over and over and over again. Buy stop. Over and over and over again. These are 30. If you think you're going to hold these and hold this shit forever, right? And you're going to hold this shit and blah, blah, blah. And I'm going to hold the 30-second candle for 3 days. You're an idiot. Don't do that. Buy the system. Thank you, Patrick. You're wasting your time. I know. I would buy too. Good morning, Ron. So does everybody see how the pattern just on the 30-second here has repeated itself? Let's see. I don't even know. 1 time over here, 2, 3, 4 times. Look at it. What do I mean? Green, 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 red, green, 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 and it went up every time. There's your blue down. There's your blue high. Blue down low, blue down low, blue down low, blue down low, blue down low. It repeats itself over and over and over again. Absolutely. Sniper is essential. 7s. Yes, you guys see the repeating pattern, and we made money with it, which we did. 9 saying you don't see the repeating pattern. I'll go over it again with you. 7s, you see the repeating pattern. 9, you don't see it. Joe Biggest says a 7. Metal Mind says a 7. I got to check gold out now. Let's see what gold's doing. 7, 7, 7, 7s. Kai, Sydney, Jason, Michael. Okay, so I see 7s across the board. Awesome, guys. Let's take a look at gold and see if we can get us some more money with gold. Let's see what gold looks like. Now, this is 30 seconds. So we had a buy, stop, boom, did its thing. Perfect. These are 30-second candles, just so we're clear. 30 seconds, sell. Let me go down to here. You're going to laugh your ass off. I want to see something. 1 minute sell stop. Yep, correct. Oh, 1 second. 15-second sell stop gold. 1 minute buy stop gold. Back to the blue line. 3 minute. Let me see something here. Checking out gold a little more in depth. No, it is not correct. 5 minute, 15 minute. It is correct. 3 minute, 15-minute sell stop. That's a weird one. I never usually say. Is it red though? Is it red? Hold on. It is. So this is a 3 minute, 15-minute sell stop gold. Maria told the buy system. Thank you. Was the bottom of the chart a 1 minute? No. Back when I was looking, it was a 3 minute. It's a 30-second, 3 minute trade. That's what I love about TradingView. It's amazing. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Steve. What's up, Steve? What's up, Brian? All right. I think we're golden. Let me go ahead and go back. So all the charts are the same on TradingView as they are. And if anything, they're better. I know people, all this is the view and stuff like that. You can't go to 30-second on MetaTrader 4. I can't do it. Whenever I want to see what's going down in these time frames, I have to go over to TradingView. There isn't a choice. There is not a choice. I have to do this. It's so freaking cool. And I don't know, but I am absolutely stunned and amazed about working on the 1 second. That is just fucking freaky to me. All right, let's go over to here. Let me go back over to here and let me go see what we actually have going on US 30. Okay. 1 minute buy stop again. NAS. Back to the blue line again. It did it. I would really look long and hard for sell stops on US 30 to the 1 minute. I would look very hard for SPX to the 1 minute sell stop. I really, really, really would look very hard onto those. How are we looking on our 5 minutes? Yeah, see, it's got to come back down again and up again. All right, let me see gold right here. There you are. Gold. 1 minute, 5 minute, beautiful. Look at gold drop like a rock. See where it's going down to its 5 minute? Perfection. Gold going down to its 5 minute blue line. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop gold to the 5 minute blue line. Hugely in the money. Hugely in the money. Look at that shit. Perfection. Now maybe we can get that pullback on US 30. Maybe not. 1 minute sell stop US 30 to the blue line. 5 minute buy stop US 30. NAS already at its blue line. Let me show you what it looks like on the scanner. Okay, right here. This is the scanner. You're going to see NAS is already here. It's alerting me to look for 1 minute sell stops, US 30 to the blue line, SPX to the blue line. That's what it's alerting me to. Okay. And then it's also alerting me to later in the day, whether NAS goes down to its 5 minute, which it may, right? Let me go ahead and do this right here. I'm going to go over to SPX. I'm going back into my knockouts. I'm going to go over to indices. I'm going to go over to SPX. I'm going to look for a sell stop right here. Just a short-term one. And we're going to put that in and we're going to see what happens. Oh, do I need to log in again? Whoa, what do you mean the site can't be reached? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on a second. Sorry, guys. That was weird. Indices. Yo, what happened? Yo, 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 yo. Indices. Wow. That was weird. Okay. Now, sorry about that. Now, okay. Now, that one's all set. Now, NAS. Let me see SPX again. That's what we just went into. Yeah. SPX towards its blue line now. And let me see if we can get US 30 there. I don't know. Ooh. I don't know about US 30 going that far low. Maybe. 5 minute buy stop, all three indices. 1 minute sell stop, SPX, US 30. After that, if you don't want to do any of these, 1 hour buy stops. And then just wait. In the money on the sell, in the money on the sell. Already in the money on the SPX sell, NADEX option, knockout option. NAS 1 minute blue line, just as you called. Thank you, Malachi. Yes, sir. Now we're going to go and wait for the SPX. And again, if you guys don't want to play these short-term sells, then don't. Look. Then don't. If you don't want to play these sells, then don't. These are just sell stops. We're just waiting. See, look. In the money on the option, in the money on the option, in the money on the option, in the money on the option. Look, there's your SPX, all because of this scanner, the H&H blue line scanner that Bri and I gave to you for free. We gave you the scanner for free. It costs $500 a month if you're going to try to buy it separately. We gave it to you only for free if you're in the sniper. We gave it to you only for free if you're in the scanner rooms, because this one had changed and touched it. I called that before it did it, but that's because I've got 9 years, 10 years of trading experience. So there you go. There's your money. There it is. Bippity boppity boo. Now, did SPX touch its blue line? No. Did it make enough money that we made money on it? Yes. Did US 30 touch its blue line? I don't know. Let's take a look at US 30. It's in a book. Reading Rainbow. No. But did it make enough money that we made some money on it? Yep, it sure did. Reading Schmain Schmo. I can trade anything. That's in MT4 or Trading View. Da 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 da. That's all. Make your money and run. Close down your options. If you have those open, just close them down. And there you go. Is it going to go down and touch it? I don't know. Did it make us money? I made money. So I'm going to go with yes. Yes, it did. EUR, JPY. Let's take a look. EUR, JPY. EUR, JPY. EUR, JPY. EUR, JPY. EUR, JPY. EUR, JPY. Boom. In the money, taking that money. Look at it drop. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nice. Look there at a touchdown. Touchdown. By the system, by the system. Everyone saw that. Everyone here saw. All because the scanner, boom, said NAS, 1 minute sell. Let's look for the US 30 and SPX. SPX to the blue line. Boom, 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 boom. Who was here? Say yes. Who made money? Well, I don't know if you made money. Who was here when this was just called out live just a few minutes ago? It's Christmas time by the system. Look at it. Bingo, boppo, bango. Close down your trades. Bingo, boppo, bango. Close down your trades. Bingo, boppo, bango. Bingo, boppo, bango. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Only Michelle Galinsky. Thank you, Michelle Galinsky. I made money. Thank you, Dr. Mike. So the only people that are actually following this is my friends. That's cool. Well, family. Good job. Thank you, bro. You're welcome, Mike. Take that money and run, Mike. Get the fuck out of the trade, Mike. No one on TikTok. Oh, you guys are at 46. Need at least 4 more people over on TikTok, or I'm going to have to close down YouTube. Look at it. So this trade was called out because NAS hit its blue line. I said, hey, NAS hit its blue line. Look at NAS. Fuck me. Watch US 32 now. Yep. There she blows. All right. Does. That's how you use the scanner. Rayshawn, if you go back and watch any of my videos, you'll learn that. It's exactly how you use scanner. I explained it to you this morning. I explain it to you every day. You have to really rewatch these things. This brings me up to my next point. You need to record your sessions and rewatch these sessions. All of you need to record the sessions and rewatch these sessions. If you do that, you would be able to answer your own question on that, Rayshawn. Thank you. God says Stevie. You're welcome, Stevie. Stevie. You're welcome, Steve. Boom, boom. Boom, diddy, boom, 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 diddy, boom, 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 diddy, boom, boom. There you go. Nice. I've been watching almost every day for 13 months, and Kevin has put his time and shows up to help us win. I do my best, Dr. Matt Spangler. Thank you. Look at it go down. Look at it go down. There's NAS. And because NAS did it, I said, hey, let's take a look. There it is. There she blows. There's SPX. Gee, I wonder what US 30 is doing. Bingo, boppo, bango. Now, is this the end all to be all? Is it going to stay going down? I'm going to say no. 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute buy stop. US 30, ERDY. Move it down, but don't get caught. Buy stop, US 30. Let me see NAS. Woo! Look at NAS. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. 30-minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. Gorgeous. It's not even a bump on my 4 hour. Damn. So can we enter in off the daily? No, I don't like that. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. NAS. Much better entry. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. SPX. 1 hour, 4 hour buy. I can't call that one. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. US 30, but not what? How the hell is US 30 up here? Wait, what? Whoa. Yeah, US 30 is going to drop, I think, in a lot before market open, I personally think. Wow, that's interesting. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops, but these are sell stops. I would stay in those as long as you can. Do not ever, if you have a sell going, let it run. Why would you take it off the market, off the thing? Buy stop NAS, 1 hour, 4 hour. Buy stop SPX, not as good. Terrible US 30. US 30's got to fall like a rock. Fall like a rodeo. Fall like a rock. This thing's got to fall like a son of a gun. All right. I'm going to go over to my NAS over here. And I'm going to go ahead and look at US Tech buy stop. And I want to see something here. I'm starting to get the hang of this shit. Okay, I'm putting in a buy stop. It actually took that order. Yay me. Yeah, it cost me like $30 on that one that didn't register. Hey, and the money on the buy. I place it in. We're up $2. No, it's not going to do that quickly. Trust me. All right. Where we at? Gold. Let's take a look at gold. Goldie, oldie, oldie. Goldie, oldie, oldie. Gold, 1 minute. Nope. Gold, 5 minute. Look at that. Beautiful 5 minute, 15 minute. I hope I called that 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop on gold. Did I call that 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop on gold? I hope I did. Gorgeous gold one. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. 1 hour? No, it's got to come down. See, if we're trying to play a 1 hour, 4 hour buy, it has to form the logo over here. Let me get rid of the scanner. It has to form the logo over here on the 4 hour. Price comes up, down, up, down, up, down. It has to come down here like this and then go up. So in order for us to grab that one, we're going to need the logo to form on the 4 hour. So it is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop on gold, but it has to drop further. That's what I'm trying to tell you. It has to drop further on gold. Henceforth, that 5 minute sell. I did. Thank you, D Nice. Gotcha. Thanks, Larry Cooper. Thank you, God. Great job, Larry Cooper. Robel, thank you, God. The question, do you think we will see us big sell off to the 4 hour yellow green line? SPX. Let's take a look. Do I think we'll see it fall off to the yellow line? Do I think it will? If we are looking for a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, what do you mean? It already is on the yellow line. Do you think we will see some for a yellow green line? Yellow red line? And well, in my case, I don't know what yours is. Let me see. Yes. I guess it's not there, but it's super close. Yes. It's close enough technically for the logo. That's a tough call on that one. Will it fall? I'm going to go ahead and say yes, only because US 30 is so far away, it has to fall down. That's why I'm going to say it. So these 1 minute sell stops seem to be working out pretty fairly well for everybody. I'm going to go ahead and say. Now let me get another entry over here. Just beautiful. Damn, that is gorgeous. That 5-minute, 15-minute. Oh, beautiful. Let me see SPX again. Maybe I was looking at the wrong one. Hold on. Nope, that's the right one. Not sure on the question then. Yeah, nice. Nice. And yeah, the only reason why these are coming down because they're too far away. There is a 15-minute sell stop. Well, I don't give a fuck about any of that. Buy stop 30. Buy stop 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, that's what I have open, right? Yeah, I have the buy stop open. I'm good. All right. Personally, that is looking like a strong downward sloping helm, but we'll see how that works out. All right. Guess I'll sit. Damn, I was excited for a minute. How much time we got left? 20 minutes to market open. Yay. Thanks. I was thinking US 30 might cause SPX to drop further. Yeah, that's how they work. They'll work together like that. Damn, 40. In a 5-minute buy, Jason Westberg. I don't know which on what symbol you're in a Jason Westberg. Da 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 da. You can't be in a buy on SPX and never went up to do such a thing. You can't be in a 5-minute buy on NAS, not even close to anything. Look at that touchdown, by the way. How gorgeous. It's going to go. It's going to blow. Look at that. NAS has hit its 5-minute blue line. Yep. Do we cross over? Yep. There it is. So now we have the 1 minute, 5-minute. I would absolutely be looking for a 1-minute sell stop US 30, by the way. Absolutely. Let me go over to this over here. And I'm going to go back under my US 30 and I'm going to look for a sell. Look for a sell. Look for a sell. L, 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 L. Look for a sell. Look for a sell. Look for a sell, 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 sell. Okay. We're in the money on the buy. We're in the money on the buy. US Tech. NAS 100. We're in the money on the buy. We're in the money on the US Tech buy. We're in the money on the option on US Tech buy. We're in the money. We're in the money. Da 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 da. Yes, we're in the money. Yes, we're in the money. Da 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 da. Yes, we're in the money. Yes, we're in the money. Da 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 da. Nadex, Nadex, Nadex. Jared wrote in. I won't say his last name. Just got this email. Good morning. I wanted to let you know today is my 3rd day trading with your system. I'm already positive $4,000. Woo! Congratulations, Jared. Off of just doing trades this morning. Thank you so much for everything. Very respectively, Jared. Congratulations, Jared. I'm out. Thank you, Gordon. Oh, awesome. You're in a buy or a sell, Jason. Did you make money or lose money? I'm confused. Thanks. I was thinking US 30 might drop further. Okay. He says US, not sure. Congratulations, Jared. In the money on the NAS. Whoa, hold on. Now, look, 1 minute sell stops. Now we have SPX to its red line. We're waiting for US 30 to get down there. Then we're looking for all these to flip and come up and do a buy stop somewhere between 9:30 and 10:30. If they don't flip it around between 9:30 and 10:30, I suspect they'll do it between 1:30 and 2:30 because these are the 4-hour candles. I never teach you guys or train you guys in 4-hour candles because, well, quite frankly, it's too advanced. I don't want to get into that. But let's just go ahead and say that it's a little more trickier than what I'm teaching you here. These are 1 hour, 4-hour candles. So you'll see these go. I already did. You saw this is red. You see this is red. Personally, I think we're going to see all these turn red. You're going to see the 5 minutes turn red at least. Okay. That's what I think. But could be wrong. Now, after these turn red, right? Red, or go, we already made money with US 30 going towards it. I fully think US 30 is going to keep falling a little bit more because it needs to. But then I would look for buy stops, 1 hour buy stops. Then these will all turn green again. Okay? Da, 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Let's see. Let's see if it's calling things correctly here. 1 minute sell, can't see it. Yes, 5 minute sell. SPX is a 15-minute sell, then 1 hour buy. Correct. 4 hour sells. This scanner is just, look at it. Why do you guys, I saw a comment inside the, let me pull this open for you guys. I saw a comment inside the, look at this shit. Look at the power you're looking at. Euro gold. I saw one guy in the Discord said, hey, why are you guys limiting yourselves? You should be trading everything. And he's 100% right. He's 100% right. You guys could be making, look at all these trades. Look at this. This is a buy stop one, Euro New Zealand. Do I have Euro New Zealand? Hold on. Euro New Zealand. Euro shit. Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand. Oh, whoa, whoa. Hold on a second here. Hold on. There we go. Euro New Zealand, Euro New Zealand, Euro New Zealand. Maybe not. I want to check it out though. Hold on. I don't normally do this anymore. I used to do it all the time. Euro New Zealand, Euro EURNZD. It must be a cross. Hold on. FX crosses. There we go. All right. Yeah. Let's take a look at it and see if that's accurate or not. But at any rate, this scanner is just fantastic. That's all I can tell you. Boom. And don't even get me started on this one. Euro New Zealand. Ricochet going to be happening here soon. Buy stop, 5 minute, 15 minute, all three indices. Sell stop, US 30 to the blue line. This is exactly what happened yesterday. It didn't hit the blue line, I remember. NAS, Ricochet, it's going to come up, bounce, and come back down to its thing. It's going to do this. It's going to go blue line up, come back down again. That's what NAS is going to do, 5 minute. Yep, there it comes up, and then it's going to hook and come back down again. What's US 30 doing? And then I got to check out New Zealand. Yeah. Okay. Now let me go to Euro New Zealand. Why can't I pull up? What is going on, man? This is some shit right here. I can't pull in Euro New Zealand. Gosh darn fudgicles. I'm going over to the other one then. Hold on. I'm going over to TradingView. I'm going to get up Euro New Zealand. Hold on. In the money on the sell I just placed. Yo, in the money on the sell I just placed. You're up $299. You're up 2 pips. 3 pips on the sell on US 30. I just placed it. You're in the money. Anyway, let me go back over here now. Okay. We need to go. By the time I get to this trade, it's going to be over with, by the way. Let me find Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand. No. Pepperstone's usually good. Black Bull. Let's try Black Bull and see. Now we're going to go to 1 minute. It probably already did it. I'm so slow on this fucking thing. Anyway, yes. Okay, let's take a look at what this looks like right here. Look at this over and over and over again. Let me make sure on the 3 minute real quick. Yep, blue line's high. All right. So let's go to the 1 minute and take a look at what you're seeing. Yeah, was it right on its call on the scanner? Green, red, green, broken back to the blue line once. Our blue line dipped twice. Our blue line dipped 3 times, broken back again. Yes, it went up to the blue line. It went up to the blue line. You would have made money multiple times. Not a lot because it's a shitty little thing. It's probably not even a pip or two right here. I have to look right here. See. Wouldn't have been shit from here to here. I don't even know what the fuck that. Oh my God. It's less than 2 pips. So yeah, that would have been shit. But it's true. It's accurate. So you'd have your buy stop here, buy stop here, buy stop here to the blue line once, to the blue line again. It's doing it right before your very eyes twice. So yeah, it would have worked. Yep, just double checking. Do 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 do. All right. 10 minutes to market open. 10 minutes to market open. Do 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 do. Do, 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 do. Good morning, Aries. Can I pay for the scanner up front for some? Yes, you can, Tank Dog. Just write a nicely worded email asking Bri for that. Absolutely. Joe Dixon, the spread on those crosses keeps you from trading on lower. I know it does. Joe Dixon's 100% correct. 100%. Now, that doesn't mean you don't have to trade it if these are able to be plotted on our in the money on something over there on your Nadex options. Not the same. It's $1 in. If you can make the movement on those, you can make the money. But you're 100% right. Joe Dixon's 100% right. There's too much of a spread. Now that see on the crosses, right? On the majors like GBB, JPY, and stuff like that, you can make a fucking shit ton because GBJPY moves really good. Watch the difference. When you see a little movement here on GBB, you're going to be talking solid ass pips. Yeah, that's 4 or 5 pips on this thing. So you'll see movement on GPJPY, not as good as if you were on like US 30, for instance. Watch. It's obviously never as good as that. Let me go back over to here. Let's see what we got. Yep, right here. Look at this shit right here. This buy stop here to here. Dude, you could have been retired on this shit. Look. There you go. That is crazy. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. But yeah, those crosses are horrid. Especially the exotics. Don't even get me started. You can't make fucking a nickel on that shit. They get you so much for the in and out, you might as well not even bother doing it. Do, 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 do. All right. Again, all the charts here are the exact same thing. Let me make this US 30 just so we're on the same page. As are MetaTrader 4. So you're getting TradingView, and it's the same. Do. Oh, buy. Oh, we're in the money on our buys, in the money on the buys, in the money on the buys, in the money on the buys. Nice. Now, where are we at? Let me see. Let's make some final calls. So make some final calls for gold. Gold, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Gold. Already did its 5 minute sell. 5 minute sell, gold. Gold. Did I not buy a gold on this? I could have sworn to goodness I bought a 1 hour gold. Hold on. Is that what I'm in the money on? Is the gold? No. I'm going to go over gold just for argument's sake. Why not? Well, I'm in a buying mood this morning, am I not? I'm going to go to my knockouts. I'm going to go to commodities. I'm going to go to gold. I'm going to look for a nice, juicy little buy. And I'm just going to wait. Nope, too close, too close. Right here. Boom. And then we're going to do that. All right. We're going to buy on gold, just long term, whether it goes up today, tomorrow, the next day. I don't care. Holy shit. We're making good money. $24 per contract on US Tech 100 buy. $2,500. What's going on with NAS? Hold on. NAS is already in its move. I'm sorry if it is. I tried helping you guys with that. NAS. Oh, shit. Ain't moved nothing. Hell, it ain't even done going down yet. NAS. 1 minute. NAS. 1 minute, 5 minute. NAS. 15 minute. NAS. 30 minute. I'm going to go ahead and close that one out for a little bit of profit. Take that out of there. Now, what do we have left? We have a US 30. We have a gold. And we have a Wall Street US 30. Well, I'm going to win on one of those. Okay. All right. Anybody have any questions? We have about 6-7 minutes left. 6.5 minutes to be exact before market open. Does anybody have any questions, concerns, comments? I'm going to make my final call outs on gold. I started and get sidetracked. You ever notice that? 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. 5 minute sell stop gold. 15-minute sell. 30-minute. 30-minute 1 hour. 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop gold. ERUSD. Nope, not Bitcoin. Nope, there. ERUSD. 1 minute. Sell stop. 1 minute sell. 5 minute sell. ERUSD 15-minute fill in the gap, closing down the 15-minute sell stop. It's going to go down a little further. 30-minute. It'll turn into a 30-minute 1 hour. It's going to turn into a 1 hour 4 hour. Oh, it's going to turn into a 4 hour daily buy. It already hit the blue line. That's why it's dipping down. It's going to do the ricochet. It's all it's doing right now. Logo here. Come over, up, over, touch the blue line. It's going to come down, ricochet, and come back up again like that. That's what ERUSD. Is that specific enough? Is that exactly what you need to do? Gosh, people drive me bonkers around here. I'm not going to play any of these, but yeah, that's good. I'm going to wait on that. I'm good on that. ERUSD. SPX, 1 minute. Sell stop, ricochet, back to the blue line. 5 minute. SPX. Buy stop. SPX. 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. SPX. NAS. 1 minute. Sell stop. NAS. Ricochet. 5 minutes. And come back up. Hook and come back down. If it comes down, that's what it's going to do. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. SPX and NAS. 15-minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, but it's a hook down. See, that's the problem with that. Damn, that's a daily? Fuck, we got to have it come down then. Well, good. I hope it does come down. It's a 4 hour daily buy stop on NAS. That's ridiculously long. I don't know if I'd play that one. Let's see. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, US 30. That is thing of beauty, though. Do I have a buy on US 30? Hold on a second. Let me go. I got to go over to US 30. I've already got my sell in. I'm going to go to knockouts, nadex.com, knockouts. I'm going to go over to indices. I'm going to go. What did you log me out? Why does this thing log me out every 2 seconds? Okay. Indices, knockouts, indices, US 30, and we're going to look for a buy. There's something right nice in the middle there. Okay. Now, we're golden. Nice. Golden pond. All right. That's US 30. So again, do I have these written out right? 1 minute. Nope. My sell stop. By the way, I was more correct than the actual thing, but I don't want to get into that. 1 minute sell stops. I'm going to take this 15-minute off. It did what it needed to do. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. If you want to play these 1 minute sell stops, feel free. I'm not saying they're going to do anything past then, but they are going to go down. So you can take the sell if you want. US 30, 1 minute sell. In the money, by the way. You can take your money out. Okay, for the market, don't play the market open, number 1. Don't play the market, number 2. Don't play the market, number 3. Don't play the market, number 4. Okay? If you're going to play this market, make sure you move fast and furiously. Lock in all profits. I fully suspect this to go down to its blue line. Then I fully suspect it to turn upwards. Will it go down to its 30-minute? I think so. Because you can already see NAS is below it. And you already see here's below it. So there you go. By all means. Oops, I got to pull myself over here to see when I see my profits coming up. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, this should be fun. Make sure you're ready to go. My Wall Street knockout is in the money on 1. So I'm going to hold that for a second. Let me go ahead and. Okay. Here we go. All right, so don't play the market open. Please lock in your profits. You're going to play the market open, and if you're going to play the market open, you're going to have to move fast. If you don't want to do the 1 minute sell stops, that's fine. That's great. Perfect. By the way, here is your 1 minute sell stop ricochet back to the blue line on SPX. Here is your 1 minute sell stop on NAS. And here is your 1 minute sell stop on US 30. We're currently waiting for this to flip and come back up on a 1 hour. Is it low enough? Has it dropped down enough? No, hasn't done shit. So I'm going to wait right here and be bored out of my mind. I'm going to go ahead and place this up here though. And just wait. And just wait. That's all you can do. I'll have NAS up here, I guess. I'll bring US 30 down here. Let's make sure this is a 1 minute. It is. Okay. There you go. Beautiful. NAS in the money. NAS in the money sell. NAS, look at that. That is fucking gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Look at that. Gorgeous. Let me see SPX. Gorgeous. In the money on SPX. In the money on NAS. Okay. Be ready to roll. It's going to move fast. Here we go. Let's take some money. 1 minute sell stop, US 30. 1 minute sell stop, US 30. Boom. NAS in the money. NAS in the money. 1 minute sell stop, US 30. 1 minute sell stop, US 30. Nice. Nice. Let me see SPX. Buy stop. 1 hour. Sell stop, 1 minute. SPX is in the money. Sell stop, NAS is in the money. Let's see. Buy stop, US 30, 5 minute. Let's see. Gold. 1 minute sell stop. Gold. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stops in the money. Gold, 15 minute. Gold, 30. Gold, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. It's not low enough yet, but it's a buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hour, buy stop, gold. Boy, that is tempting as fuck to take that trade. I'm going to try to be disciplined with this. Buy stop, US 30's in the money. Let me make sure on that one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're in the money. You're in the money on the buy stop, US 30. Absolutely in the money. Take the money and run. Take the money and run. Excellent. Lock in profit on US 30 if you have it. Touchdown again, SPX to the blue line. Perfect trade. 5 minute blue line sell. Take the money and run. This NAS? Oh, US 30. US 30, take your money and run. Buy stop US 30, 1 minute. I'm sorry, 5 minute, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Buy stop again, US 30. Buy stop again, US 30. Be a perfect time for Mike to at least open up one option, see how she plays out of there. Beautiful. Fill in the gap right there. We'll take that in a minute. Let's go over to NAS. NAS. Look at NAS. Damn. Sell stop NAS 1 minute. Sell stop NAS 15. Well, this is sell stop NAS 1 minute. It's going to take a while for this to develop, it looks like. 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop NAS, which I like a lot better, by the way. 1 minute SPX sell to the blue line, 5 minute blue line again, and it's almost there. Let's see if we can zoom in. Well, is it there yet? Is it there yet? It's super close. We'll eventually maybe see both of these hook over right here in about a minute, 16 seconds. Let's take a look. There it is to the blue line. There's SPX, SPX, SPX. Let's see if this is going to fall. It looks like it's going to fall underneath. There it is. Touchdown SPX, the 1 minute sell stop. You're in the money. I would look for the 1 minute sell on US 30 now. 1 minute sell on US 30. I'm not even looking at the chart. We'll wait another 50 seconds and see if we can get this thing to go below. I think we will. Let me see. I'm going to open up another option. We're going to go over to here. Okay. We just need this to hold for about another 20 seconds. Then we'll see this one turn red. This will turn to 2 red just like that is. Give it about 13 seconds. As long as it stays underneath there, that'd be nice. And let's see. 3, 2, 1. Yep, we should get this to turn double red right here. Maybe, maybe not. Hello. Oh, hello, hello. Why did SPX not go down on its 5 minute? What the hell? What the fuck? Hello? Is it got to? There it is. Boy, that took a minute thing. Now it's both below. Now they're both below. I would look for the 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop on US 30. I would look for a 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop on US 30. Okay. And just wait. Now we have 2. We have the 1 minute below the blue line on NAS and SPX, and we have the 5 minute prices below both. Let's take a look at US 30 and see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Okay. There we go. Now, US 30 is US 30 is doing its best to form a 1 minute sell stop. 5 minute buy stop US 30. 1 minute sell stop US 30. Yeah, US 30 is doing its own thing. Be prepared now for the other ones to flip back around then. If this is the case, we should see some money. $25 on my options on the buys per contract on Nadex things. Nice. 1 minute sell stop US 30. It's just, I don't know if it's going to get there. I don't know if it's going to do it. I think you should look for the buy stops on the remainders now. Let me go over to NAS again and see something. Oh boy, what do I want to do with NAS? NAS 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4. I don't like NAS. Let me see SPX. Dipping 2, 4 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. I buy stop 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop NAS, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop SPX. I don't know what else to tell you guys. I can't call the sell on that on the higher time. Sorry. And look at US 30 just go. I don't know what to tell you. You're in a shit ton of money on US 30. That's what I'll tell you. Shit ton. Yep. Shit ton. You're in the money on your US 30 buy, 5 minute buy, just 30, 40 pips. Take your money and run. You don't have to keep it open. And yep, that's good. 1 hour. Yep, that's good. I mean, that's all you can do. Unofficially, 1 minute sell stop, US 30 to the blue line. Officially, 5 minute buy stop, US 30. NAS, just dropping like a rock to its 5 minute blue line, to its 15 minute blue line. I thought we can get a 15 minute bluer out of this one. Ooh, that's pretty far. Fuck. NAS drops that far. Woo-wee. Yeah, look at SPX go too. I would look for that US 30 sell. I don't care. I know it's trying to do its own thing and fight away from all this. I'd be looking for that US 30 sell. That's what I'd be doing. All right. Oh, damn. Should have kept that NAS open over there. Fuck. All right, let me see comments. Good morning, Zara. Welcome back, Zara. Good to see you, my friend Kevin. US 30 buying knockout. Dr. Mike, stay out of the market, Mike. Good morning, MC. Good morning, MC. Good morning, Sam UK again. Sam's talking about gold. Let's see. Yep, gold is beautiful. 1 minute sell stop gold. Perfect. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop gold. Perfect. That's the ones I called out for you. That was perfection. ERUSD. Let's see ERUSD again. Hold on. ERUSD. 1 minute sell. 5 minute sell. Perfection. To the 15-minute blue line. Holy shit. I should have did those ERUSDs. Fuck. Easy peasy money. 1 minute sell stop US 30. 5 minute buy stop US 30. NAS. Holy shit. NAS is falling like a son of a rock. NAS 1 minute, 5 minute sell, sell, sell. Look at SPX. This is great. Thank God we need this pullback. 5 minute. I have no idea why US 30 is farting around up here. I'm going to go ahead and take my profit out of this one. And then taking $14. And then we're just going to wait right here for a minute. And we're going to see what happens with this US 30. All right. Made a little money on that one. Made a little money on that one. All right. US 30, 5 minute buy, 1 minute sell. Okay, well, again, all I know is these things are going to balance out later today then, because this is pissing me the fuck off. Made money on the buy. I'll take that money and run. Let me see what it looks like here again. Hold on. 1 hour. Oh, hold on. NAS. NAS is on fire. SPX is on fire. But let me see NAS. There's a reason why NAS is doing this. It's got to be pulling back here. It is. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys. Yeah, there you go. Buy stop. NAS. As it goes down, move your line down to enter with it. Buy stop NAS. I don't think SPX was as good. It is not. US 30 is not even in the realm of good. Look at US 30 go. You go, little US 30. NAS, let it keep falling. Buy stop NAS. Matter of factly. There you go. Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay. Give me 1 second, guys. Sorry, getting there. Six. All right. Okay. Now we're golden. All right, guys. What do we got? Dopamine, caffeine, praise the Lord. What's up, dopamine, caffeine? Oh, nice. Buy, stop. This is great. Keep on going down. This is what we needed right here. So this is truly going to be a 1 hour, 4 hour. This is truly going to be a 4 hour daily. Yeah, it needs to come down even further now. This is what I wanted all day long. All morning long, I'm waiting for this damn gone sell. Beautiful. US 30 finally doing it. Let's see. Nope. US 30 is playing to its own drum. That's fine. Yep. SPX. Can't do anything with the SPX. Buy, stop. Either you're in, by the way, sell, stop 1 minute US 30. It's too late to get in a 5 minute. NAS, buy, stop. This looks great. Let me go over here real quick. Damn, it's so fucking far away though. Can't do a 4 hour. I'm going to put it in place. But damn, it's going to take a minute on this. Fuck. I.e., the daily blue line hasn't come back down. The daily price hasn't come back down here. It needs to come back down on the daily. Fuck, won't do it. Let me see what this is going on with. I don't know if we're going to get it. I don't think we're going to get the pullback on this at this point anyways. Damn. 4 hour buy stop. NAS. I'm going to open up a NAS. Screw this shit. I'm going to open up a NAS. Indices. US Tech. Knockouts. This is just for fun, Mike. Please don't do this. We're going to do a buy stop. I want a big one too. I just think this is going to be a good one. Already in the money. I just placed the trade. I'm up $10 on the option, $7 on the option. That's funny. Okay. Anywho, wait for that to change around now. Okay. If you wait for the 15-minute 1 hours on all 3 indices, All right, that was Glow. All right, Jonathan. Thank you, Jonathan, for that. Buy, sell, still tipping. Damn, it's still going down. All right, let it keep going down. Let it keep going down and keep moving down with it. It's actually looking really good, but we got to wait for it to dip even further. Hold on. I'm just trying to get us some money here. I'm going to wait around to about 10:15 to see if we can't get this flip. SPX still dropping. Let's see US 30. I would seriously be looking for a sell stop on US 30. Or you can play the 5-minute buy again. That's up to you. Because eventually we're going to see this NAS and SPX flip and come back around. Or you're going to see US 30 drop. I just like this right here. I'm going to do another entry on a buy right here. What the fuck ever. That's fine with me. Hold on. Hold on a second. I think they kicked me out again. I'm going into my indices. I'm going into my knockouts. I'm going to go under indices. I want to look at US Tech. I want to see if they gave me a good buy price. Okay. In the money on one of those, by the way. I'm done. All right, now let me take a look over here. Oh, in the money on all options. In the money on all buy stop options I just did. That's funny. You can close those down. It's $31 per option. Feel free. Just close those down. All right, good. We'll just sit here and wait. I'm comfortable with this. I'm going to wait right there. Let's see. Geez, Nas still dropping here, says. Nice. US 30. Rasta Pusha. I don't know Rasta, but love your name still. All right. Sorry, I wasn't looking at any of your questions. In the money on the buy stops, in the money on those buy stops, take the money out of those options. There's no need to hold them any longer than you are. I would like to stick around until at least about 10, 10, 10, 15. I want to see what the next 4-hour candle does. I want to see if we get the reversal right now or not. Lately, gold and silver and oil have been, my friends, nice. Let go. Glow, go. You go, Glow. I'm very proud of you, my friend. All right. Rasta. My Rasta pasta. In the money, $47 per contract on my $57 on the buy stops, $63 on the buy stops, $72 each contract. I have 3 open. $106. Woo! What's Nas doing now? I kind of wanted to wait, but let's see. The Nas is, that was nice. Oh, please let this flip. There you go. Yeah. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. $153, $173. Woo! Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Nice. Just made about $350 on those options in about 3 seconds. Woo! Going to take that money and run. I'm still going to stick around with you guys. I want to see how it looks. Let's see if we still don't get that complete turnaround on that buy for Nas. I don't know. I don't think so. It seems to be in a hard fall, but you never know. 1 minute, nothing. 5 minute sell. 15 minute already did it. 30 minute down like a rock. 1 hour perfect. 4-hour buy stop. 4-hour buy stop now. So let's go through US 30 and see what the hell this thing's doing. Oh, through the roof, baby. Through the roof. 1 minute, 5 minute, buy 50. Holy shit. Look for this turnaround. I'm telling you. Look for this turnaround. Look for this 4-hour turnaround. I'm telling you. Look for the turnaround. Look for that. NAS, SPX. Yeah. SPX must be going up right here. Hold on. Damn, I should have took that SPX. Fuck. Well, I can't complain. $300 in a few minutes. Let me see that NAS again. See if it's going back to where it's going to go to. Watch. Boom, baby. It's going to go up even higher. Watch. Go higher. Go high. Oh, I'm in the money on that trade, by the way. On that buy stop, I'm up 13 pips, 14 pips. You know what? I haven't checked those gold again. If someone said that gold was kicking ass, let's see. 1 minute gold forming a 1 minute, 5 minute sell. 1 minute, 5 minute sell gold or gold 1 hour buy stop. Either or. Let me see ERUSD. ERUSD. 1 minute. Sell stop. ERUSD. 5 minute. Already done. 15 to the 15-minute blue line. That's too late for ERUSD. Don't play it. 4 hour. 1 hour. 4 hour. 1 hour. I wouldn't play it. It's a buy, but don't do it. Don't do it. Let's go back to US 30. Oh, US 30 for the win, baby. Watch NAS now. Watch NAS. This is not going to stay imbalanced forever. I guarantee you it won't. You're in the money on those buys I told you to do anyways. SPX through the roof, baby. Damn, I'm tempted to go back into an option. Oh, Lord. Should I triple dip? Buy stop. I've already made so much money on this one. Let's see. No. Yes. What the hell? Placing order. I went back in again. That's terrible. It's a very bad habit to get into. When you make your money, you should get out. Shit, I'm up $10. I'm up $12. Woo! All right, we're waiting for our 10 o'clock candle. Either this is going to continue a bum rush downward on NAS and you're going to get destroyed. Oh, let me take profit, by the way. Or you're going to be in another buy and you're going to make money on it. Either or. So let's see what happens. Fun times ahead. Let's see SPX. Yeah. 1 minute sell stop, SPX. US 30s to the moon. There's nothing you can do about it. Fuck. Okay. If US 30 turns around, which it needs to, I'm not calling it. There's no sell stop for US 30s. Nothing I can do. NAS. Technically, 1 minute fill in the gap sell stop. SPX. An actual sell stop. 5 minute, 1 hour. I'm going to go to the 1 hours and look. Look at this shit. Fuck yeah. 4 hour entries, by the way. 4 hour entries. We're going to go over to NAS right here. It's in a book. Reading Schmo. Let's just see right here. Let's just see right here. I want to see if we can get a 4 hour turnaround candle. It's either going to turn around now, between now and 10:30, or it's going to turn around between 1:30 and 2:30, if it's going to turn. If it's not going to turn, then it'll keep going down. But there is no way in hell you're going to see SPX and NAS move one way and US 30 move one way opposite the whole day. It's just not going to happen. So let's just sit here and wait. In the money on the options, on the buy stop options on NAS. I should close that down. Nice, baby. $23 an option. Nice, $24 an option. Let's just see what happens, because this could be it could push down further. And what that means is going to make the wick of the candle on the 4 hour. And I'll show you what that means in a second. Let it push down a little further. Then hopefully around 10:15, we should see a buy in there. Oh, Precious is up. Precious. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. I'll be right back, guys. Give me just a minute. Again, whatever I said. 1 minute sell stop, NAS and SPX. 1 hour buy stop, SPX and NAS. You can't do anything with US 30. It's just going crazy. All right. So we either wait patiently or hopefully you guys win some of those trades. I'll be right back in just a minute. All right, guys, I'm back. Back in the saddle again. I'm back in the saddle again. Haven't done shit, huh? All right, fine. Oh, it hasn't even turned 10 o'clock yet. Okay, we got to wait about 15 minutes. Usually about that 15 minutes, they're going to hook it down a little more. And then hopefully we see that turn around about 15, 20 minutes from now. We'll see. Back in the saddle again. Back in the saddle again. Where are we at with this? Beautiful. I do remember calling out the 1 minute, 5 minute sell stops, maybe even the 15-minute sell stops on NAS this morning. I kind of remember saying that, so I'm going to say. All right. Questions or comments from anybody? Maybe we can make a little bit more money here. I don't know. Okay, new candle just started. This is the important one. We want to see it drop down a little bit more and then see if we can get that hook to flip back up again. It may not happen even in 15 minutes. I don't know. It might not even happen then. I got to be honest with you. In the money on the buy stops on my options. You can take that money if you want and run. Feel free. So we hope it pulls down for about another 5 or 10 minutes. And then we should maybe see a little pullback up. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. Let me see. And by the way, we have to check because now this is the time for US 30. If it's going to flip to come back down. Yep. See, there's a US 30 down. Perfect. So yeah, we're either going to see this US 30 fall really hard, right? Because it needs to. Or you're going to see the NAS and SPX come up. Oh, look. I'm going to go and say they're not coming up. 1 hour for it. But this is good. Let it keep doing its thing. Now, watch where you're going to put your entry of your line at right here. Buy stop right on that red line right there. Just wait for it. Boom, 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 ba-da-dum, boom, 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 ba-da-dum, boom, boom. And just wait. Let me see SPX. Remember now, if we're trying to do a 4-hour daily, everybody, it literally needs to come back down here because everyone's probably, it has to do this right here and come back down and then back up. So this is truly a 4-hour daily buy stop. We need the logo to form on the daily, not just on NAS, but on SPX and on US 30. And US 30 does not cooperate. So right here, for instance, on NAS, you need this to come down and then form our buy stop. So if it's truly going to come down that low, we got a fucking long ways to go. Matter of fact, and hit my take profit right here on that trade. So if it's going to do that, buy stop. Look at it drop. Nice. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let it keep going down. Now I'm telling you, hold on. US 30. It's too far away. I'm not even going to call it. SPX. Nice. Let SPX come down too. I mean, you've got to let it redo its logo. Look, I'm literally over top of that. Let it come down. I'm still going to place in my NAS anyways, buy stops right here. Move it down as it goes down. You can chase this down. And again, anytime we get that pull back up, we're going to run with it. You don't need to stay in your options long. You don't need to stay in these long. Again, waiting for the daily logo to form for 4-hour buy stops to be correct. These 4-hour daily buy stops can take days. Literally, it could take today, it could take tomorrow, it could take the next day. It takes days sometimes. If not, that's fine too. Okay, we're going to wait right here. This is boring. What time is it? 10:03. Let me see gold real quick. Gold is looking much, much better on its drop. Let me see real quick. Gold, 1 minute. Sell stop. 1 minute sell stop gold. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop gold. 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour. So 1 hour, 4 hour buy. See the 4 hour, it needs to come down a little bit more, just like the other, just needs to dip down. Watch. Price came up over, below, below, below. It's got to come down a little bit more. See, last time it didn't. I'd like it to come down to the yellow line this time. We do have a nice fill in the gap, though. Damn. I'd still like it to do better on that drawing. 1 minute, 4 minute. Buy stop. 1 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop gold. Let it keep dropping and come into it when it... 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop gold. Chase it down as this comes down to the yellow line. Take it down to there, okay? Now let me see ERUSD. 1 minute. Sell stop. 5 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop ERUSD. Oh, it already hit its 15-minute line. No, I wouldn't touch that one. It's going to bounce off and come back up again. 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour daily. Oh, yeah. Another one that's just see, it's ricocheting off. It went up, touched blue line. It's going to ricochet, come back down here, and hook come up again. It's another one. It should drop further. Do you want to take a trade on this? I'm not going to on ERUSD. I'm good. SPX. This is the time period right now. If you're going to see a pullback up, it should happen here in the next 10 to 30 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, somewhere around there. I already see a little pullback. Nope, doesn't look like NAS is pulling back up. Let me see NAS real quick. NAS 1 hour. NAS 4 hour. 4 hour buy. 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Stop NAS again. If we're going to see it, they're going to hook this up in the next few minutes. If they don't hook it up in the next few minutes, again, it'll probably be that 1:32:30 time later today. Every 4 hour candle, they like fucking with things and changing it. That's all. Especially this candle. I always look for the movements around there. So we'll just hang out and chill. I hate hanging out and chill. What's US 30 doing? Let's see. US 30. Come on. Farting around. All right. Well, this is boring. The way I look at things right now, then, you're either going to see US 30 fall hard and catch up with these things. Not likely. Or you're going to see these things catch up with the US 30, more likely. Give it time. I wouldn't be in any kind of rush. These are now turning into one's a 4 hour daily. That could take fucking forever. And one's a 1 hour, 4 hour. I would really, let's go into something more specific for you. I'd really look into, hold on. You're in the money on the buys, by the way. You can close those down. Close down your buy, NAS buys. Unless you opened up more than one, you can keep one open. Nice. Okay. All right. Now, where were we? Let's go down to the 1 minute charts here. Buy stop 1 minute. US 30. It's almost there. Oh, no, too far away. See, this is what you got to wait for. I told you. Whenever you see green, 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 red, green, green, you've got to let it be right in here. This is just a beautiful buy. It's got to come back down to the 5 minute now to regroup. So I can't call a trade on that for you. Sorry. And there's absolutely zero sell stops. Zero sell stops for US 30. Nothing I can call for a US 30 sell. Zero. Sorry. We'll let it come down a little further, then a buy. What do we got here? NAS. Too far away. Fuck. I can't call any more sells on NAS. It's too far away. Either you're in the sells or you're not. So either you're in this 1 minute, 5 minute sell or you're not. 15 minute. No, too far away. There's nothing I can do on that for you. 1 hour, 4 hour to 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy stop, which means this still has to pull down way further. It may tap out my long-term hold. I might only make 500, 600 pips, whatever that is on that trade. We'll see. NAS, can we get you anything better on that? I mean, on SPX. SPX, nope. We just had the 1 minute sell I called out a second ago. Nope. Too late. Too late. Too late. Too late. 30 minute, 1 hour. Nope. 4 hour. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy stop for me. This has to pull back down again. So we need the logo. If you don't have our logo over here, there's nothing we can trade. This needs to come back down like that and hook and then come back up. So if you're waiting for these buy stops, this could take a minute. What time is it? 10:10. Yeah. I don't know if we're going to see this happen now. If it does, I'll try to come back on for you guys. I think you're going to still see it just drop, though. That's all. And that's our SPX. Wait for it to pull back to the daily. Wait for it to pull back to its daily. And nothing to do with US 30. US 30 is just fucking rocket ship this morning. And there you go. All right. I guess I'm going to hold on these ones until I see the daily get closer on NAS and SPX. I already have one buy stop ready to go. I took profit on one of my other buys on NAS. So that's what we're going to wait on for NAS. And then US 30, there's nothing I can call on US 30. Zero I can call. Zero. Well, I can call, all I can call when this goes below that yellow, I'm going to call it. As a matter of fact, fuck that. I want to take it. We're going to do a little buy stop when it goes down to the 5 minute. Oh, it's got a ways to go. Fuck. I would wait for this to come down. All right. So US 30, 1 minute buy stop. I'd like it to come further down the 5 minute line before I enter that trade. Nothing else for US 30. NAS. Can't even call a 1 minute sell. Nothing there. It's too late, too late, too late. You should already be in the sells or nothing. 4 hour buy stop, NAS. SPX. 4 hour buy stop, SPX, all I can call. ERUSD. Let me get this silly line out of the way here. ERUSD. No. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop, and it's actually not a bad one. ERUSD, it's ricocheting off. That's why I said that. It's coming back up again. And then 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy, but it's got to form our logo. It's got to come back down more. Okay. Gold. The 1 minute sell kicked fucking ass again, by the way, for you. Look at those beautiful 1 minute sells. Beautiful 1 minute sells. That is just fucking gorgeous. Your buys on NAS are all in the money. You can take that money out and run. Your buys in your NAS and your US 30 are all in the money. Your buys on the NAS and the US 30 are all in the money. Take the money out and run. Take the money out and run if you're in these trades. There's no reason to stay in them any longer than you're in. Definitely closing that one down. All right. You're in the money on those trades. Take the money and run, please. Next, gold. Now we're 4 hour buy stop gold. And that's what I'd be looking at. There we go. The NAS 4 hour the NAS 4 hour daily buys in the money. Yay. I knew it could get there. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Let's see if it might have closed my position down. Hold on. It did. You little fudgicles. It did. It dipped it down just low enough. It took my option out. Damn it. I think that was like an $87 loss, something like that. Fuck. In the money on the buys on the NAS buys, you're in the money. Yes, I know I'm below the line. I chased it down like I told you I was going to do. There you go. Take your money and run. Either you're in the money. Let me close down that US 30, by the way. Hold on. Where's my US 30? Yeah, I'm going to close down that US 30. We're up 25 pips, 26 pips on NAS. I'm taking down this US 30. I'm going to keep the NAS one open though. So the US 30 trade is gone. Let me go over to NAS. There you go. This is perfection. Did you guys see how this was played out? Did you guys see how this was played out? I've been waiting. I told you around 10:15. It's 10:14. There's your, matter of fact, let me lock this in. Yeah, that buy stop, they kept dropping it, kept dropping it, kept dropping it. I'm not saying they're not going to drop it again, but that was perfection right there. It was too far away on the 5 minute, too far away on the 1 minute. Just it had to come up, period. Now, I'm going to keep this trade open. 1 hour far. Yep. And this is your 4-hour entry. Beautiful. Gorgeous. That's what it is. I don't like the fact that it hasn't come down far enough on our daily, but it had to rebound that little bit off of our 1 hour. So that's what I was looking at. It's too far away. It was just too fucking far away. Well, this isn't a 1 minute buy stop. Nope. It's actually forming a 1 minute sell stop. It isn't a 5 minute buy stop. Nope. It isn't a 15 minute buy stop. Nope. It isn't a 30 minute buy stop. Well, actually it is. It isn't a 1 hour buy stop. Yep, it is. It isn't a 4-hour buy stop. Yep, it is still in the gap. So I'm going to leave that there. I am really PO'd though that sack of shit Nadex caught me on that. I'm going back in. I'm stubborn as fuck. US Tech knockouts, indices. Buy stop. I want the most too. Where the hell's the most? It just wicked me out. You little manure piles. Screw you. All right. There we go. Now, take the money out and run. You don't have to stay in the trade any longer than you have been, please. For the love of God, don't do it. All right. Any questions before I go? Wow. Any concerns? We're up 49 pips. We're up 49 pips on that trade. 45 pips on that trade. Told you. 47 pips on that trade. Bingo, bop of it. Up $82 in those options I just took out per contract. Woo! That's the way to finish strong. All right. Thank God, little Joe in the money. Does the system work on MT5? Motivation King. You can use the system on anything, but you will put it on TradingView and Trade MetaTrader 5. You will put it on TradingView and you'll use anything you want. Tradeovite, Thinkorswim. You can use Nadex like I've been doing. Look at that, $122 for. Told you. Who's the one that called out the switch? Who's the one that said to take the buy stop? Who's the one that said it would happen around 10:15? Bam, 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 bam. Bippity boppity boo. Bam, 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 bam. Nice. Nice. Definitely closing out one of those. See ya. Closing out another one in a minute here. Nice. 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 So I hope everyone caught that. Dan, Kevin, you called it. Thank God. There you go. US 30 rise up. Oh, NAS 15-minute blue line. No, not likely. NAS dropped opening caffeine. Yep, not likely. There you go. We caught the very bottom of it. We caught the very bottom of it. Woo! Yes, sir, Bob. Oil going to 1 hour. I don't know, Jason. I'll look at it in a second. All right. Anyone here that was following me for the last hour telling you that at 10:15 it would flip and turn back around? Did anyone here catch it where I told you all that it was, well, not told you, was hoping to God that at around 10:15 it would reverse. What it does is it plays the 4-hour candles. Look at it. You're up 45 pips. Look at it. Is it going to stay going up? I don't know. Is being right 45 pips, 50 pips? Yes. That was the right call. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it. So no one saw that. No one on TikTok saw me say that or heard me say that the whole time. No one. No one? No one. Okay, see you, TikTok. Gonna go. All right. You guys have a great day. Enjoy yourselves. Good luck. All right. YouTube. Did anyone see me on YouTube make those calls? Yes or no? Harris says, I saw it. Jason, now what's up, Rock the Bach? Kai says yes. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and say that was an extremely accurate call. Thank God. And that's just how they do it. That's just how they do it. Don't ask why. Evan says, hell yes, but splitting attention with work, says Harry Tran. Yes. Okay. So you guys are seeing it. That's good to know, because that is how you play that trade. Just perfection. You knew on the 10 o'clock, 10:15, they always pull it down a little more on you. They just pull it down. It's just what they do. I don't know why that is on a 4-hour. They make the wick. And then after they're done making the wick, they pull it back up. So sometime around 10:15, 10:30 is when they start pulling it back up again. And that's all they do. I was typing on TikTok to say, yes, that's funny, Radio Trader. Sorry, Radio Trader. Sometimes I get a little antsy. All right. On a scale from 1 to 10, how happy with you guys' trading session today? 10 being the best, 1 being the worst. Were you not happy or were you happy? We actually caught the very bottom of that trade. That's amazing right there. An 11 and a billion. I don't even know what that number is, Metal Mine. A 50. Michelle Galinsky gives me a smiley face. I guess that's a 10, Michelle. All right. Thank you, guys. I think we made our money for today. Let's all be grateful to God. All right, guys. Have a wonderful, great day. Enjoy yourselves. Make some money. Have some fun doing it. I'm going to go ahead and leave you all. We'll be back on, probably not today, though. I'll probably be back on later today. Candle Envy. Thank you, Candle. Thank you, Kai. All right. That was fun. Yay. Let's get over to here. Let's get over to here. Let's go over there. Bye, guys. Have a good day. God bless.